ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। In the last class, we have seen three Shabda declension in Strilinga. And Priyat 3, the compound also we saw the declension, different the possibilities. Do you have any doubt with regard to this? Priyat 3? Did you go through this?
Still, no doubt.
No doubt in Priyatriji.
Chatasra, it's only the next one, but not done. I teach only Chatur. Chatas had not completed. But you can try. Not so important. Okay. Chatasra itself, we have done all the possibility. Only Chatasra also. In fact, the forms are not given. Okay, anyway. So now the next Shabda. Repanta Shabda, which is supposed to be in Alanta Prakranam, but it's okay. Because number we covered 3, the next is 4. From 5 onwards, it's same for all the lingas. Nitya Bhagavachanantaha, and it is same for all the linga. So, therefore, this Chatur we have to cover for Strilinga. It is specific. And Pullinga we have not done, that also we will add later. Repantaha, Strilingaha, Chatur Shabdaha. Chatur Shabdaha, Nityam Bhagavachanantaha, Nitya Bhagavachanantaha, Chatur Shabda. The 2 sutras we need to remember 7 to 29 and 7 to 100. 3 Chaturoho, Striyam, Tisra Chatasra. 3 Chaturoho, 3 and Chatur Shabda, Striyam, Stritam Dyotagitum. 3 Chaturoho, Stane, Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare, Tisra Chatasra Adesho Bhavataha. Then the next sutra applies immediately. 3 Chaturoho, Striyam, Tisra Chatasra. Okay, that is, sorry, let's copy paste. 7 to 100 is
Achira.
Achi. Yeah.
Achira.
Achira Rutaha. Right. Achira Rutaha. Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare. Trichaturoho Striyam Rukaraha. Rukarantasya. Tisra Chatasriti Rukarantasyane Repadesha Bhavati. Tisra Shabdasya चतस्र शब्दस्य ऋकारस्य स्थाने अजादि विभक्ति प्रत्यय परे रेपादेशः चतस्र नित्य बहुवचनान्तः चतुर okay chatur plus just so by 7 to 99 replace chatur by chatasra anekaladesha therefore sarvasya sthane chatasra then rikarasya sthane repadesha bhavati ajadi vibhakti pratyaya pare therefore finally you get chatasraha. And here also you can have 7310110. What is the 73110? Already we have seen this. Why 73110 is not applied? Anyway, that is we are not going to discuss. Already we have seen this. 73110 is Ritaha Ni Saranamastana Yoga. What will happen? Puna, right? Like in the case of Pitra, etc., we have seen. Ritaha Rikarantasya Angasya Saranamastane Pratyaya Pare Rata Ni Pratyaya Pare 7-1. Angasya Gunadesha Bhavati, right?
Yes.
So that is, even though it is Parasutra, because of the Vartika, 7-200 is applied. Already we have seen this. What is the requirement of Achira Ritaha? Okay, anyway, this we are, this is a note. Yeah. What is the requirement of Achira Ritaha when the ordering of Repa in the place of Rikara can be achieved by equal energy? If the Sutram Achira Ritaha is not there, equal energy will be overruled by Ritaha Ngi Saranastana Yoho and Gunadesha will happen. So therefore, this sutram is required. Okay. So Sandhi Karya will happen. And also, this is 7300 is Angakarya. This is Angakarya, this is also Angakarya. And both are Angakarya only. Even though Parasutra, this is not applied. Because this is very specifically for Tisra and Chitasra, therefore it is applied. If this sutram is not there, then Angakarya, that is Ritaha Ngi Saranastana Yoga, that will apply. And Gunadesha will apply. So that is not decided. Therefore, we need the sutra. Already we have seen this same thing as in Tisra. So therefore, you get Chatasraha. Similarly, Chatur plus Yas, Bhakti Pratyaya Pare, Chatur replaced by Chatasra, it is only in Strilinga. Tritam Dyotagitam. Then this is Shas, this is not Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. So therefore, what will happen? You're supposed to apply Pratama Yoga Purva Sarvanaha, that doesn't apply. Because that is Sandhi. This is Angakarya. So Angakarya will apply first. So Repa, Repa will replace Rikara. Therefore, you get Chatasraha. Chatur plus Bis. Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare. 7 to 19 will apply. Chatur Bihi. Sorry, Chatasra Bihi. Chatur plus Bis. Chatur will be replaced by Chatasra. Stitrum. Yotagitam. Chatur Shabdasya Sthane. Chatasra Adeshaha. Then Chatasra Bis. Chatasra Bihi. Then Chatur plus Bias. Chatasra Byaha. 7 to 99 will apply in all these cases. Then same thing, 5-3 also same. Chatur plus Am. Chatur plus Am, what will happen? Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare, Chatasra Adeshaha. That is first one step. And we know Rasvanadya Po Nut. Here only we saw that Vartika. Rasvanadya Po Nut. Here it is Am. Then Rasvanadya Po Nut comes. Then Nam. Then Chatasra Nam. Then Nattam Chatasra Nam. Here Nami will not apply because we have this sutra. Chatasra na Chatasra Tisra. Nami pare Dirghatam Mangasya Dirghatam na bhavati. So 6-4 will overrule. That is Apavada. Apavada to 6-4-3. Nami will not apply. Here footnote. Already we have seen this in the context of Tisru. Three Shabda. Achira Rutaha. 7 to 100. Iti Rukarasya Repadeshe Prapte Tasmineva Samaye Rasvanadhyapo Nut Ityarena Pratyasya Nut Agame Api Prapte. Agama is Antaranga. Therefore, 750 was supposed to apply. And Achira Rutaha also it is there. Now this is Vartika. Num Achira Trichvat Bhabe Byaha Nut Vitpatishedan iti Vartikasya Prayoga Kriyate. Arena Vartikena Nut Agamaha Eva Bhavati. Achira Rutaha iti Repadesha na Bhavati. When two sutrams having Tulya Bala comes to play, same context. Then later sutram will apply by the sutra we know Vitpatishe Param Karya. But because of this Vartikam, Nut is applied, Rasvanadhya upon Nut, even though it is Purva, it is considered to be Purva Pratisha. It is that will apply. It will overrule all these three. Num, which is ordained by Ikochi Bhakta, Repadesha by the Sutras, Chidarataha, and Trajut Bhavaha by Trajut Kroshtuhu, that Sutra. Therefore, Num is ordained by Rasvanadhya upon Nut. That will apply. So, therefore, it is Purva Karyam. Purva Karyam is the Karya which is ordained by the Purva Sutra will apply, not by the Parasutra. Even though Tulya Bharatvam is there and with Param Karyam is supposed to be applied, Purva Karyam will apply by the force of this Vartika. Right? So this you can note. So therefore you get Chatasrana. Even though Nutagama ordained by Rasvanadhyap or Nut comes Purvam, it must be applied in relation to Num ordained by Iko Achi Vibhakto, Repadesha by Achira Rataha, Trujut Bhavaha, by Trujut Kroshtuhu, Vibhasha Tritiya Adishu Achi. Therefore you get Numahama and therefore Chatasrana. And Rikarasya Dirgatum Nabhavati. 644 negates. Then Chatur plus Sub. Chatur will be replaced by Chatasra, then Chatasrashu. Adesha Pratyaya will apply. For Repantesha, Repataha, not Reparantaha. Repantaha, Srilingaha, Chaturshabdaha, Chatasraha, Chatasrabihi, Chatasrabhyaha, Chatasrabhyaha, Chatasrashu. So same as three Shabda, here also the treatment we can do. I just summary only I get teach you. In other things I have not done. Something I have done, but not all. You can see treatment of Chatur Shabda. Suppose you are making a compound. Priyaha Chatasraha, Yasyasaha, that is Pullinga. Or Priyaha Chatasraha Yasyaha sa, Strilinga, Samasta Padam is Strilinga, where the Chatur Shabda is Strilinga. Similarly, Priyani Chatvani Yasya Tatu, where oh sorry, this is wrong. Priyaha, it's also Priyaha Chatasraha, Yasya Tatu. Here also Chatur is Strilinga, you can note. Priyaha Chatasraha. Yasyasaha. So here Chatur is Strilinga. The whole compound is Pullinga, but Chatur is Strilinga. That is what I have written here. Chatur is Strilinga. Stritam Dyotayitum Chatur Shabdaha Asti. Therefore, what will happen? Chatur will be replaced by Chatasra, right?
Chatasra, yeah.
First you get the Samasa. First you have to form Samasa. How do you form Samasa? Samasta Padam first you have to form. Samasta Padam is you have Priya, it's okay. Just take first example. Priyaha plus Chatasraha. One I will do here. Compounding. Priya plus Jas. Then Chatur plus Jas, the compound. Kartarita Samasascha Pratipadikam. Then Supodhatu Pratipadikyoho. Look, here Chatur is Strilinga Shabda. So after removing the pratyas, you have Priya and Chatur. It is Priya and Chatur. And we know Priya will become Priya, but Bhavaha, Priya, Priya, Priya Chatur. Now this is Tritam Dyotayitam Chatur Shabdaha. So therefore, when you add Vivakti Pratyaya, what will happen? So there only, when Vivakti Pratyaya follows, Chatur will be replaced by Chatasra. So that is the year after year. Then we will see. So Priya Chatur, Priya, okay, Priya Chatur. Priya Chatur will become Priya Chatur. So Priya Chatur is the Pratipadika. Like Priya 3, Priya Chatur. Repantaha, Pullingaha, Priya Chatur Shabdaha. Similarly, Repantaha, Strilingaha, Priya Chatur Shabdaha. Repantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Priya Chatur Shabdaha. Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana. I mean, in the decline, suppose Pullinga, let us take Pullinga, Samastapadam. So it would be, for example, here, Priyaha, Chatasraha, Lalanaha, Yasya Saha. इति अत्र यद्यपि समस्तपदं पुल्लिङ्गे अस्ति, compound is पुल्लिङ्ग, तथापि चतस्य शब्दस्य स्त्रीत्वं विवक्षते. Therefore, विभक्ति प्रत्यय परे चतुर् इति स्त्रीत्वं द्योतयितुं चतुर्शब्दस्य स्थाने चतस्र आदेशः भवति by 7 to 99. त्रिचतुरोः स्त्रियां तिस्र चतस्र. Therefore, you get चतस्र आदेशः. Then Su follows. What will happen? We have this sutra. Anangadesha will come in the place of Rit Ushanas, Urudam so Anega Samcha 7194. By that, Anangadesha, Anang is Mitvat, Antyadesha, therefore the card is replaced by An. And so is Saranavastana. Saranavastana Pratyaya Pare, now Padayaha, Dirgatum, therefore Priya Chatasan becomes Priya Chatasan. Then su goes away, Sakaraha, Algyabhyadiga Suti Sapruktamal, then Lova Padipadikantasya, you get Priya Chatasa. So Priya Chatasa is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Similarly, Priya Chatur plus Au, Chatur will be replaced by Chatasra, and Chatasra is followed by Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya, therefore 7 to 100 will apply. Achira Rutaha by the Repadesha, therefore Priya Chatasrau. Priya Chatur plus Jas, 7 to 90 and 7 to 100 will apply because Chatur is here Stritum Jyotagitamatra Vivakshate, therefore Chatasra and Chatasra. Priya Chatasraha, you get. So Priya Chatasa, Priya Chatasrau, Priya Chatasraha, and Priya Chatur plus same thing here. Priya Chatasram. So Chatasra Adesha and then Repadesha, Priya Chatasram. Priya Chatur plus out. Here also Priya Chatasrau. 7 to 99 and 7 to 100. Then Priya Chatur plus Shas. Ajadi.
Oh, Sharan.
Sorry?
There in out, second, third line. Priya Chatas. There is one T.
Yes. Priya Chatur plus Shas. So here also same thing. Priya Chatasraha. Priya Chatasraha. Priya Chatur plus Ta. So Priya Chatasra it would be 7 to 99, 7 to 100. Then Priya Chatur plus Byam, Priya Chatasra Byam. Simple. Then Priya Chatur plus Bis, Priya Chatasra Bihi. Priya Chatur plus Nye, Priya Chatasraha. Priya Chatur plus Byam, Priya Chatasrabhyam. Then Priya Chatasrabhyaha. And 5 1 same. 5 1 is Priya Chatasraha, same as 2 3 or 1 3. And Priya Chaturbhyam, Priya Chatasrabhyam, Priya Chatasrabhyaha. Next is same as 5 1, Priya Chatasraha. Priya Chatur plus O's. Priya Chatasroho, 6 2 7 2. Priya Chatur plus Am. So therefore here, Priya Chatasru. Then Rasvanadhya opponent will apply. Vartika. Parakarya will not apply. Purvakarya will apply. Therefore, Nami, then Priya Chatasrana will apply. That's what happens. Priya Chatur plus Ni. Here, Ni. Rutaha Ni Sranavasthana will not apply. The Sutra will apply. 7 to 19 and 7 to 100. Priya Chatasri we get. Then 7 to same as 6 2. Priya Chatasroho. Priya Chatur plus Su. Priya Chatastrashu. Only Shatum. After replacing Chatur by Chatasra, then Shatum. Get. Then the Sambodhana possible because this is a compound. Therefore, Priya Chatur plus Su. So Priya Chatasra. And here, what will apply? Priya Chatasra. It is not Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya, right? Therefore, Pritaha is Saranavasthana Yoho can apply, right?
ह्रस्वस्य गुणः इति
Sorry.
ह्रस्वस्य गुणः वदामि
Rasvasya Gunaha, what is the number?
73108.
So this is Para, therefore you can apply this Rasvasya Gunaha. And what did we do for the case of Pitr or Pitr Shabda? Pitr, Rutaha is Saranavasthana Yoho. In case of Pitr Shabda, yeah, we'll take Pitr. Pitr also, I think we applied. Rutaha is Saranavasthana Yoho, right?
73110.
Yeah, 73110 only we applied.
Yeah.
So, Rasvasya Gunaha, okay, what is the Anuvritti? 73 Rasvantasya Angasya Sambodhana Ekavachanasya Supratyasya Gunadesha Bhavati. Yeah. Even we have seen the examples. They are given Muni and you can see the website also. Muni and Hari, all the Shabdas are given. For Rikaranta, we have 73110. Parasutram is there. Rataha is Saranavasthana Yoho. So
Okay.
this will apply for Rikaranta Shabda.
Okay.
Rikaranta Sangasya Saptami Ekavachanasya Gi Pratyaya Pare Saranavasthana Pratyaya Pare Gunadesha Bhavati. Paratva, this will apply. And there must be a note also. Yeah, okay, here not given note. Of course, here also Guna coming as Anuvritti, that's right. Rasvasya Gunaha is from that only Guna coming as Anuvritti, right? This is for Rikaranta. Specifically for Rikaranta, this sutra is 71110. 7310. Okay, it is the same section and the sutra immediately follows, therefore this apply. So Priya Chatasar, then Raksasya. So Priya Chatasaha you get. A Priya Chatasaha. And 8 2 same as 1 2. Priya Chatasro and 8 3 Priya Chatasraha. So the declension of the Shabda would be like this. Priyaha Chatasraha Yasya Saha Yasya Brahmanasya Saha Brahmanaha Priya Chatasa Brahmanaha. So Repantaha Pullingaha Priya Chatur Shabdaha. Okay, this is Pullinga. Strilinga it would be Strilinga Rupam. I think I have done, but I have not checked it. Priya, I have not. Okay, Priyaha. Okay, Pullinga. We are done. Taking this to be Pullinga. Now, Priyaha Chatvaraha. Please note. Here it is not Strilinga. Therefore, what?
That will not be replaced by Chatasra.
Chatur will not be replaced by Chatur. So the That Samasta Padam is Pullinga as well as Chatur Shabda also Pullinga. So Chatur will not be replaced by Chatasra. Same as we have done that Priya 3. Okay. So what will happen now here? It will not be replaced by Chatasra. Therefore, Priya Chatur plus Su. Priya Chatur plus Su, I have not done the form, you know. I mean, just given the form only. Priya Chatur plus Su, what will happen? Su will go away, Rakshasya will apply. Priya Chatuhu, right? Understand?
Yatrasya or Halnabhyam, Shariji?
Priya Chatur plus Su, okay, sorry, Alingabhyam, not Rakshasya. Okay. We have to apply Priya Chatur plus Su, Alingabhya Dilga Suti Septaktam. Therefore, Priya Chatur you get. Right, Priya Chatur, yes.
Then Karavasan.
Yeah, that will apply. Priya Chatur you
Yeah.
get, yes. Then Priya Chatur plus Au. Priya Chatur plus Au, not Chaturi, okay. So it's a copy paste problem.
Chaturau and
Priya Chatur plus Au, just join Priya Chatur, nothing happens.
Rao.
Priya Chatur. Priya Chatur plus just, no, that is in Pullinga. So that we have to see. Chatur will be replaced by, as we have Chatur Shabda, Chatvaraha, the same thing happens, Chatvaraha. That, note this, we'll see that later. Okay. Chatur will be replaced by Chatvaraha. In Pullinga Shabda, Chatur is Chatvaraha, right?
Yeah.
Chatvaraha, Chaturaha, Chaturbihi, Chaturbhyaha, Chaturbhyaha, Chaturnam, Chaturshu. That's what you know it. Huh? We'll see that later. So Priya Chatuhu, Priya Chaturu, Priya Chatvaraha. Then Priya Chatur plus Priya Chaturam. Priya Chatur plus Au, Priya Chaturau. Priya Chatur plus Shas, Priya Chaturaha. Right? So it is Priya Chaturaha you get. Priya Chatur plus Priya Chatura. Priya Chatur, okay. Then Priya Chaturbhyam, Priya Chaturbhihi, Priya Chature, Priya Chaturbhyam, Priya Chaturbhyaha. Then Priya Chaturaha, Priya Chaturbhyam, Priya Chaturbhyaha, Priya Chaturaha. Oh, yeah, I have to change it. What will be? Priya Chatur. Oh, Priya Chaturoho. And here, Priya Chaturnam it is. Okay. Priya Chaturnam. Priya Chatur plus E, Priya Chaturi, Priya Chaturoho, Priya Chaturshu. This is simple. This is Saptami. Each one is also same as 1 Priya Chatur plus Su. So Priya Chatuhu, A Priya Chaturau, A Priya Chatvaraha. Understand? This Pullinga. Chatvaraha, Chaturaha, we will see later. Don't worry about it. Now we will see in Pullinga. So having known that, then in the compound, Savastapada denoting a Pullinga and Chatur Shabda also Pullinga. So we have done Pullinga. The next one is taking this to be Strilinga and Savastapadam to be a Pullinga. That should be the next one. But
Napumsakalinga and
yeah, first is Strilinga. Now we have to take it as Napumsakalinga. Yeah. And Savastapadam is Pullinga. So here Pullinga, Pullinga, Pullinga. Previously it was Strilinga, 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 Pullinga. Now Pullinga, Pullinga, Pullinga. Then Napumsakalinga, Napumsakalinga, and Pullinga. What I mean Napumsakalinga means Purva Padam is Napumsakalinga, Uttara Padam also Napumsakalinga, and Samasta Padam is Pullinga. Okay. It is Repantaha. Priyani Chatvari. No, Chatvari. Napumsakalinga. Priyani Chatvari. Yasya Saha Brahmanasya Saha Brahmanaha. What will happen? We have to see. So Repantaha.
Tat, no?
Sorry?
Oh, it's a Pullinga. I'm sorry. Okay.
Priya Chatur Shabda. Samasta Padam is Pullinga only. So Priya Chatur. This have to not done. Okay, so the same as the previous one. So it will be Priya Chatuhu. Priya Chatuhu, here what will be formed? Priya Chaturau, right? You follow?
Yes, Ji.
Samasta Padam is, whatever is Padam is a Samasta Padam that we have to take. Bahuvri Samasa. Samasta Padam is Pullinga. See, generally, whatever since in Bahuvri Samasa, we have to take the Linga of the Samasta Padam, right?
Yeah.
In the case of Chatur and this and Chatur and Tri, there's an exception. I mean, if within the Samasta Padam, if the Uttara Padam here, Chatur, happens to be Sri Linga, then the Chatur will be replaced by Chatasra. After replacement, whatever to be done, it is to be done. Okay, it's Pullinga. And here, in the case here, it is Pullinga, Samasta Padam Pullinga, so Priya Chatur plus, so ek Pullinga Shabda. Here also same thing. Priya Chatur, here maybe Napumsakalinga, doesn't matter, but the whole Samasta Padam is Pullinga, therefore Priya Chatur. So Priya Chatur is Pullinga. So decline like the previous one. Right? The Linga of the Vestapadam doesn't matter. Even for the first example also, very particularly Chatur is the Chatur replaced by Chatasra. That is by the Sutra. After that, it is Pullinga only. The whole compound is a Pullinga. So therefore, this is possibility also same as the previous one. Priya Chatuhu, Priya Chaturo, Priya Chaturaha. Then we have Priya Chaturam, Priya Chaturau, Priya. What is the form? Priya Chaturaha. You need to remember Chatur Shabda. Then Priya Chatur
Priya
Ra.
Chatur. Okay.
Priya Chatura, Priya Chaturbhyam,
Ram Priya Chaturbihi.
Chaturbhi. Then Priya
Priya Chature.
Re-
Priya Chature, Priya Chaturbhyam, then Priya Chaturbhyaha. I have not verified this form. That is not, I mean, nothing is that to verify. Okay, whatever we do, that is what it is. Then Panchami, Priya Chatur plus us Priya Chaturaha.
Raha.
Sashti also Priya Chaturaha. Priya Chaturbhyam, Priya Chaturbhyaha. Then Priya Chaturoho,
Chaturoho.
Priya Chaturoho, Priya Chaturoho. Here Priya Chaturnam only. Then Shashti, okay, then Saptami. Priya Chatur plus Priya Chaturoho, Priya
Priya Chaturushu.
Chaturshu. Then Ye Priya Chatuhu, Ye Priya Chaturau, Ye Priya Chaturaha, Chatvaraha. This is Pullinga is done, right? Now Strilinga. Priyaha Chatvaraha. The Vestapadam is Pullinga, but the compound is Strilinga. Priyaha Chatvaraha Yasyaha Sa. Priyaha Yasyaha. Okay. Yasyaha Sa. Here also Pratipadikam is Priya Chatur, but it is Pullinga. Srilinga. Repantaha. Strilingaha. Priya Chatur Shabdaha. Samastapadam is Strilinga. So Repantaha, we have not done this. Okay, we have to check what will happen. So I leave it here. This has to be probed. So we have to check. As I know, just simple, you will get the same form. So don't apply like Gir Shabda. So that's some sutra we have to compare and apply. Okay, that's right. From here, I have not done. I have not verified. So I don't want to waste time here. This you give it to you. You can just see certain things I did, certain things I left it. That's not this too much. Huh? Not required for this. You can do it when you have time. So I'm not done. I just left it. this becomes Strilinga. Strilinga, do you have any Repanta Shabda? You remember? We have seen. Do you remember Strilinga, Repanta Shabda?
Gir is the.
Yes, exactly, Gir Shabda. But the Gir is derived from the Dhatu, right?
Yeah.
Gir is Dhatu. Therefore, Irboho, Upadayaha, Dirgaha, Ikaha, Halicha, all those things, which is there in Sapadi. That is for the word which is derived from the Dhatu, Guru Dhatu. But Priya Chatur is not a Dhatu. Therefore, Irboho, Upadayaha, Dirgaha, Ikaha, and all will not apply, as I know. So, the forms would be Priya Chatur plus Su. It will be like Pullinga only. So, Priya Chatuhu only you will get. There's, we don't have anything to verify. That's why I didn't proceed. I left it. The form must be same as the Pullinga Shabda. Priya Chatuhu, Priya Chaturau, Priya Chaturaha. Priya Chatur plus Su. Chatur is Priya Chatur. Priya, here it will change. See, Priya Chatur plus Su. Priya Chatur plus Su. Priya Chatuhu. Priya Chatur plus Au. Priya Chaturau. But what about here? Priya Chatur plus that Chatur is not a Strilinga Shabda, right? Stritam Yota Yitam. The whole compound is Strilinga, but it is Repada Shabda. But Chatur is not Strilinga. So therefore, what will come? The question comes. So there, Priya Chatur plus Shas. Priya Chaturaha only it will come, as I know. Okay. That's why. What is the proof? What is the pramanam to verify?
No, sir, in this thing, one of this thing, Gir Shabda is Strilinga, but Dhatu. Other same thing holds for Dhur, that is yoke. And also Pur is town. So
Pur
that
is derived from the Dhatu, Pru Dhatu.
Oh.
We have seen Puhu.
Same.
Okay. Anyway, this we have to check. That's why I left it here. Yes. Okay. Anyway, leave it. No problem.
Where do we get this Shabda Rupani? If we don't know anything, it's
only if it is there in the usage. Only if the usage is there, we'll get to know. Otherwise, difficult only.
Net also we don't get, no? Otherwise,
you don't get it. So we have to we have to see what anything will apply. If it doesn't apply, it can do directly. See, they're all compound. So you don't get it.
Yeah.
I will do it because I have not done this. So maybe I will try and then complete and tell you later. I need some time. I didn't spend time actually. Because I got time, I didn't do it. I just left. Only Pullinga, I thought, okay, I will do it. Pullinga itself, first part is, this is correct. Priya Chatasa, Priya Chatasro, where Chatur is Strilinga. This is fine. And here, Priya Chatuhu, Priya Chaturo, Priya Chatvara, whole thing is Pullinga and Priya Chatur plus us. This also I need to verify it. 1 minute. 7-2. Kashika Vritti. Priya Chatastraha Swam. Okay. to 99, I think. Kashika has given some form. Priya Chatasa, this is the proof. Priya Chatasa, where Chatur Shabda is Strilinga, and the declension Pullinga. Okay. Priya Chatasa, Priya Chatasro, Priya Chatasraha. That it is there. Pramanam. Okay. Stritvam Dyotagitum. Priyachatasa, Priyachataso, Priyachatasraha. Right? Okay. Similarly, Napumsakalinga, Priyachatasra, Priyachatasrani, Priyachatasrani. I think that I have done. Anyway, I leave this here. I'll complete and tell you later. Okay. Maybe after Navaratri, I'll do it. Now, up to Priyachatasa, that is what important is. He has given Kashikara, I took it. It's a proof. Otherwise, we will see.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, you can see the compound. 3 Chatuhu. 3 cha Chaturcha. 3 Chatuhu. 3 Chaturoho eva Visheshanam. I think it must be, then what we did is correct. 3 Chaturoho. Okay. Other Pullinga we have done. Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, I'll leave it. We'll see that later. As we have done here, here also the compound. Priyaha Chatvaraha Asya Brahmanasya Priyachatuhu Brahmanaha. Here I take this Uttarapada is Chatur. So keeping the Uttarapada, even the compound is no other rule applies. Therefore, Chatur Shabda is the Uttarapada. Therefore, Chatur Shabda is replaced by, when followed by So Chatvaraha. I think this form must be right only. Priya Chatvaraha. Okay. So Pullinga is correct. Shrilinga, we have to do it. I'll do it and let you know. Shrilinga and Napumsakalinga. Right?
Yes.
Strilinga, you can, in fact, the possibility, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, the first possibility, we can do it. That is, you see here. Other forms you have to see. It's ready to spend some time to do this one we can do. This already we have seen. That is, Chatur is Strilinga Shabda, and the Samasta Padam is Pullinga. Then we get this form 3 Chatasa, Chatasra, Chatasraha, right? Number 1. Number 2. Again here, the Chatur Shabda is Strilinga and the whole compound is Strilinga. So there also Priya Chataso, same as the Pullinga. So therefore, that's why Kashikara doesn't give separately. There also we get same form only. Yatha Priya Chatasa Brahmanaha, Priya Chatasa Brahmani also. Chatur will be replaced by Chatasra and Chatasra plus Su, whatever the form we get, the same as the previous one. So Pullinga and Strilinga, there is no difference. But Napumsakalinga difference, because Pullinga and Strilinga no difference because Sarvanamastana Pratyaya is same. 1 2 1 3 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 3 and 2 2 2 2 1 2 2. Therefore, the Rupam is same. That Napumsakalinga, it is not like that. Priyaha Chatasraha, where Chatur Shabda is Strilinga and the Samastapadam is Napumsakalinga. Therefore, Priya Chatur plus Su, what will happen? Priya Chatur plus Su. Chatur is Strilinga. Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare, Chatur will be replaced by Chatasra. Chatasra plus Su. Now, what will happen to Su? How do you decline Datra Shabda or Katra Shabda in Napumsakalinga? Suma Napumsakat, look Bhavati.
Look, Bhavati.
So look goes away. So Priya Chatasra you get. And Priya Chatasra, same thing. Priya Chatasra plus here, how is replaced by she? She is nothing but E. Then E follows, and what will happen? E is there, right? Then what will happen? Ikoachi Vivakto will apply, right? Remember Ikoachi Vivakto, Datra, Vari Varini, Madhu Madhuni, when Ikaha, Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya Pare, right? Or Napumsakasya Jalachaha. Yes, Napumsakasya Jal Achaha. Datrani, how do you get? Okay, Ikoachi Bhakta. In fact, Ikoachi Bhakta only you have to apply for Napumsakalinga. Because Igantasya, Angasya, Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya Pare, Numakama Bhavati. Remember that?
Yes.
So
Yes.
Numakama will come.
Yes, yeah.
So once Numakama comes, Priya Chatasran will be, and Priya Chatas E will be there. Priya Chatasrani, Napam. Priya Chatasrani is a Rupam. Kashikara says Priya Chatasrani. And Sarnavasthana Pratyaya Pare, again here also, Ikachi Vakto, Numbhavati, Priya Chatasrani. this, so Napumsakalinga only we have this difference. Otherwise, it is same. Okay. I think Napumsakalinga I have done. So this is only for the first category. So first category is, if you understand it is okay. Other thing, apply the general rule and you have to derive the form. To check the forms, we don't have any Pramana. Okay. So first category is what is the Sutra 7 to 99, 7 to 100 deals with. So Pullinga, I did all the three, and the Srilinga, one we did, and Napumsakalinga, I'll show you. I think I did that. We had done that, I'll show you. Otherwise, not done. Okay. Anyway, you can note that I've not done Napumsakalinga. But I told you to explain this. You try this Napumsakalinga. First category, that is Samasta Pada is Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga, whatever may be the Linga, where the Uttarapadam Chatur is Strilinga Shabda. Then what will happen, you see. Napumsakalinga, apply Iko Achi Bhakto. What is Iko Achi Bhakto says? Please see 7.1 section. That Vidajam Sarvanamasthane Athatoho. Right? There we have the next sutra. Ugidajam Sarvanamasthane Athatoho. Then Napumsakasya Jalataha. Then Iko Achi Bhakto. Parigantanga Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya Pare Numahamaha Bhavati. 7.1 section. Therefore, that will apply like we applied in Vari Varini and all.
Yeah.
But also Vari Varini, we'll see that later. There it is. Vidijam Tharanavasthane Numadato 7.170. Then Vijayheya Samase. Then Napumsakasya Jalachaha. So Napumsakasya Jalachaha, Jal and Achaha. Then Napumsakasya Iko Achi Bhakto. See, Napumsakasya Jalachaha is Saranavasthane coming as Anuvrutti. Therefore, Saranavasthane Pratyaya Pare Napumsakasya Angasya Numagama Bhavati. Napumsaka Anga, which is ending with Jal or Ach. Then Iko Achi Bhakto is there, which says there is no Saranavasthana condition here. When Iganta Anga, that is Ik ending. Ikara, Ikara, Ukara, Ukara, Rikara, Rikara. Napumsaka Linga. So now we are dealing with Rikara Antanga, right? Chatasra. Once you have replace Chatur by Chatasra, then Priya Chatasra, it is Napumsaka Rikarantanga. Ik and Rikara is Ik. So Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya Pare, there is no condition Tranavasana and all. Only Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya. So therefore, Pratama Dvivachanam, when Au is replaced by she, it is E. Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya. Therefore, Anga will get Numagama. Therefore, Priya Chatasran, then E, Priya Chatasrani, you get. Similarly, when Sarvanavasthana Pratyaya, when Sarvanavasthana Pratyaya follows, 7.173 applies because Paratvat, you can apply Napumsakasya Jalachaha, because Napumsakasya Jalachaha is Anuvrutti of Sarvanavasthane, right? But 7.173 is Parasutra, therefore that will apply. In fact, that will apply for all the Vivakti Pratyayas which beginning with vowel. Therefore, Priya Chatasra, Priya Chatasrani, like Dhatra, Dhatrani, Dhatrani, Priya Chatasra, Priya Chatasrani, Priya Chatasrani. Yeah, okay. After that, what will happen? Here, Dhatra, Dhatrani, Dhatrani, right?
Yeah.
So, Numagama comes and Sranavasthana Pratyaya follows, then
Dirgatvam.
Dirgatvam will happen. Priya Chatasrani. Okay. And Dvitiya Bhakti also same. Priya Chatasra, Priya Chatasrani, Priya Chatasrani. Tritiya will be Tritiya Ekavachanam. Priya Chatur plus Ta. Like Pullinga you can do. Priya Chatur become Priya Chatasra, Priya Chatas. Sorry, not Pullinga. Here, because it is Napumsakalinga, so here completely different. Priya Chatur plus Ta. Chatur will be replaced by Chatasra. Number one, right? Then after that, Iko Achi Bhakta will apply because Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya follows. Therefore, it will get Numagama. Sorry? Iko Achi Bhakta. Iko Achi Bhakta. Not Iko Achi. Sandhikare will not happen. You have to do Num. Ngakare happens first. Numagama comes. Therefore, Why Iko Nachi?
For 3-1 also Numagama comes, Sharanji.
Iko Achi Bhakto. Iko
It
Achi
will
Bhakto,
become
no
only,
condition.
no, Sharanji.
So what?
Ah,
So
So what?
how do you get
Okay.
Numagama?
Very good. How you get Vari Shabda, Tritiya Bhakti? What is the form Vari Shabda? It is not Varin, Vari. What is the Tritiya Bhakti Ekvachanam of Vari?
Varini.
You have to go to the basic Shabda. Vari, Varini, Varini, Vari, Varini, Varini. அப்புறம் என்ன வருது சொல்லுங்க. Varina இருக்கா இல்லையா? How you get Varina? From where you get Numagama, Sumati ji?
Yeah, Varina. For a moment, I thought you
Iko
won't
Achi
get it.
Bhakto. Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya Pare, Igantasya, Napumsakasya, Angasya, Numbhavati. Therefore, you get
But sir,
Varina, then Bhakto.
வெப்சைட்ல வாரினா ஹவுக்கு இது ஆங்கோனாஸ்திரியாம்ல இருந்து வருதுன்னு போட்டிருக்கேன்.
No, not Angonastriyam. How can be Angonastriyam? Numagama comes. Website la போட்டிருக்கா.
Yes, it is there like that. You may be wrong because again for Chaturthi Ekavachanam, Varine Ikochi Vibhakta was done.
Iko Achi Bhakto only will apply. Angonastriyam, na. Okay. Angonastriyam may be for Tritiya, but Iko Achi Bhakto. Angonastriyam is Angaha na Astriyam. Okay. Okay, for maybe for 3-1 maybe Parasutram we can say Angaha Nastriyam. What about Chaturthi then?
There Ikochi Vibhakta only.
Iko Achi Bhakto. Okay, you can say like that. Yes, it's good. Angonastriyam we can apply because the Sutram is that for pulling and Napumsakaling. I cannot apply in fact because Angonastriyam you apply only for Gi Sanya, right? Here Rikaranta doesn't enjoy Gi Sanya talk. Okay. In fact, you cannot apply. For Vari Shabda, you can apply. See, don't confuse with the Vari Shabda. I gave us an example only. Okay. We have to take. Okay, otherwise I'll give the example of Dhatru Shabda. Vari Shabda is fine. Vari Shabda is Angonastriyam only. No doubt about that. Because Vari is it is E-U. Ikaranta, Ukaranta will enjoy Nadi Sanya and Gi Sanya, right? We know that. Okay. Therefore, Angonastriyam is fine there. Okay. If that is an example is convenient, take Dhatru. What will be the Rupam of Dhatru? Dhatru will be Iko Achi Bhakta will apply Rikarantasya, Angasya. Here this Rikara is Ikaha, Igantasya, Napumsakasya, Angasya, Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya Pare, Numbhavati, Iko Achi Bhakto. That is what Iko Achi Bhakto. Then you get Dhatru Na, then Nattom, right?
Yeah, that's why here 2 forms he has given.
That's okay. That's okay. Fine. That one form we will see later. Yes. Dhatruna and Dhatra is there, right? Yes. That is by Tritiya Adeshu Achi one sutra is there. That by that it happens. Okay. We take this, right? So Iko Achi Bhakta it applies.
One is Angonastriyam.
Not one is not Angonastriyam. Angonastriyam cannot apply for Dhatru. Okay. One is other rule. Vibhakti Tritiya Adeshu Achi one sutram is that we have not seen. Don't worry about that. We have not seen that. By that Dhatra you get. Other form limit. We are focused only on Iko Achi Bhakto. So it says Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare Napumsakasya Igantasya Angasya Napumsakasya Num Agamaha Bhavati. That is why that the rule overrules that the sutra overrules the Napumsakasya Jalachaha. But that sutra is required. Napumsakasya Jalachaha. If Iko Achi Bhakto always apply. And when do you apply Napumsaka Jalachaha? For Pala Shabda we required Napumsakasya Jalachaha. Pala is not Ikantanga, right? Pala Shabda is Akaranta, it is Adanta. So Pala plus suppose Au, Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Then Pala plus Au is replaced by she is nothing but he. Then what will happen? This is not Stranavasana Pratyaya, right? Is it Stranavasana Pratyaya? No.
No.
But what is the Rupam? Palampale. Here we don't get Numbakama here. Palampale. Directly you can apply. Suppose if it is Sranavasana Pratyaya, just then it is replaced by E. Sarvanavasthana pratyaya pare adantasya angasya napumsakasya jalachaha will apply. There it will get numahama. Right?
Palani.
The numahama and Sarvanavasthana pratyaya follows. No padayaha Sarvanavasthana chasambuddha will apply, and therefore you get palani. So for akarantanga napumsakasya jalachaha is required. For other anga, igantanga, other than akarantanga, that is why if you remember I told you, jal, achaha, here, ach, you can take for all practical purposes only akaranta shabda. Jal is other, 4, 3, 2, 1, that all the letters you can take. And other vowels are taken care by, that is ik letters, igantanga, iganta shabdas are taken care by the next sutra, 7173. You understand this important, okay? This is nothing to do with our Chatasra. These are basic sutras. This Ikochi Vibhakto is a sutra, will apply for Ikaranta Shabda, Vari Shabda, Ukaranta Shabda, like Madhu Shabda, Rikaranta Shabda, Dhatra Shabda, etc. Understand? So this apply for Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya, not only for Sarvanavasthana, Ta, Nasi, Nas, Os, etc. Everything. Understand? All of you. Ramaji, clear?
Yes, Charanji.
Ganesh, you follow?
Yes, sir.
So, therefore, this Shabda you try, this as a homework. See, other forms, other possibility, leave it. Not important. This you do it. Chatasra, Chatur Shabda, Priya Chatur is a Shabda, Repanta Shabda, and Samasta Padam is Napumsakalinga, therefore Pratama Bhakti and Dvitiya Bhakti is Priya Chatasra, Priya Chatasrani, Priya Chatasrani. From Tritiya is, you apply Ikochi Bhakto and it will get Numakama. So by Ikochi Bhakto, you get Priya Chatasra Num plus what you get? What the form would be?
Priya Chatasrani.
Priya Chatasrana. Nothing happens. Right? So not as Pullinga. So Srilinga and Pullinga, from you will have 3, 1 onwards same. But in fact 2, 3 onwards same. But Napumsakalinga, if you will have different forms. Okay, Ikochi Bhakta is there, by that Numagama will apply. Priya Chatasrana, Priya Chatasrabhyam, Priya Chatasrabhihi, Priya Chatasra plus Chaturthi, Nye will be Priya Chatasrane, right?
Nay.
So you can do like that. I have not done, you please do it, that alone. So if that is done, then this other possibility must be, I think it is simple, general rules will apply for B and C. For B and C, where Chatur is not Strilinga. So Priya Chatur, Repanta Shabda, depending on the Linga of Chatur, you get the form. Okay, this is what I have done here, but to check the form. To check, I have done only Pratama Vibhakti done here. All the other form Vibhaktis I have not done. Okay, anyway, B and C, leave it. But at least here, A category, you understand. Where Chatur Shabda is Trilinga, which requires the application of 7 to 99 and 7 to 100. Tri Chaturoho Striyam, Tisra Chatasra, Achira Rutaha. Understand? Is it clear? I know this is a little difficult.
Yes, Charanji.
Yes, Ji.
Pullinga I explained. This A first point I explained. B also I explained. I mean, C, sorry, A within A, Pullinga and Srilinga I explained, and Napumsakalinga also I did. So you did other forms. Okay. Or you want me to do it? Can you do it or do it? Simple. It's the same as Datra Shabda. Datra, Datrani, Datrani.
Okay, we try, sir, first.
You try this. And other forms, okay, this I will myself will do and tell you, because I got some form which I myself not able to verify. So that's why, okay, I've left it. But to check that. Okay, this I think this Ajanta is stop here. Ajanta, I mean not Ajanta. This Samanya Shabda we stop here. Now we will enter into Vishesha Shabda. Okay. So Ajanta Vishesha Shabda. So with this, Strilinga is over. Napumsakalinga we will see. But Napumsakalinga many we have covered in different contexts, like this Varin, Madhuran, etc. Ajanta Shabda Pala also we have done. So Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rikaranta, all these we have done. Anyway, we will do with the sutras in further elaborately. Now this Ajanta Shabda, Pullinga and Srilinga, we have some Vishesha Shabda. If you have Shabda Manjari, if you take the Shabda Manjari, you will see Ajanta Vishesha Shabdaha and Srilinga, Ajanta Vishesha Shabdaha, within that we have Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga, Vishesha Shabdaha. Please see Shabda Manjari. So those Shabdas you will see. In fact, many Shabdas also we have seen in that Vishesha Shabda. If you see, many we have seen, and some yet to be seen, we will see that. Some Halanta also is there that we are going to see. Ata Vishesha Shabdaha, Ajanta Pullinga Prakaranam, Aikshwaka, that we will see later, Akaranta Shabda. This will take up now. Nirjara, Akarantaha Pullingaha Nirjara Shabdaha. Nirjaraha, Nirjarahu, Nirjaraha. One form is Rama Shabda. But what about the other form? So that requires another sutra. So Nirjara we will see. And Pada, Danta, Masa. Remember, we have done this. Pada is replaced by Pad. Danta will be replaced by that. Right? Remember, Masa will be. Yes, we have done that. Okay. So already this done. Vishwapa we will do. Aha we will do. Audulomi we will do. And Sudhi. Sudhi also we will do simple only. It is Sudhi Shabda. Then Shuddhadi, Sudhi. This is something like that Strilinga, the Nadi Shabda we saw. But this is not Nitya Srilinga, therefore will not get Nadi Sanya. So we will do it. Senani, all this we will do. Prati, etc. All this will cover now. So for which we require the knowledge of Nadi and Ki. Already we have seen, therefore it will be easy. So this is what we are going to see. So now let us take the first Shabda. I take this Nirjara. It's a compound. Okay. So we'll add one by one Shabda. Ajanta, now Pullinga Shabda we will take, and then Napumsakalinga, and then Srilinga, and then Napumsakalinga. So Nirjara Shabda. So Rikaranta is over that part. Okay. So that is done. Ajanta simple Shabda. They are all considered to be simple Shabda. Simple or not, I don't know. But Rama Shabda, in fact, it is difficult. A lot of rules are involved in the derivation. The rules are whatever we learn. Now in this Vishesha Shabda, you will apply same rules only with some more, some exceptions maybe there. And here Nirjara is a compound. Nirjara is a compound, and very specifically one sutra is there for Jara. That is why this is given as a Vishesha Shabda. That is a sutra, in fact. Jarayaha, Jarasaha Nitarasyam. So therefore, this is very specifically given. So let us do this. Akarantaha Pullingaha Nirjara Shabdaha. One form is like Rama Shabda, Akaranta. The other form is there, for that only the sutra is there. The sutra we need to discuss. There are certain paribhashas involved in that sutra. Connected to the sutra we will discuss. So we will see. Connected to the derivation of the Shabda. So some paribhashas. Some important and interesting paribhashas we will see. Now this Nirjara, the word is derived. Nirgataha. Nirgata. Nirgataha. Jarayaha. See, okay. Taken the compound, Nirjara. Okay. We will see in Srilingam also the same Shabda Jara later. Jara Shabda. Jara Shabda as such, you will see in Srilinga later. Now, in Pullinga, what will happen, we'll see. Nirjara. So, it is Nirgataha. Nirgataha Jara. Jara is Vridatvam. Nirgataha. Unmet. It is some typo is, I think. It is just a minute. Oh, the form here. One minute. Yeah. This Nirgataha Jaraya. Yeah. Nirgataha Jaraya only. Yes. It's not typo, it's correct only. We will see, we have not seen the sutra, the samasa, Niradayaha, Krantyadhyarte, Kranta, not Kranta, here typo. Krantadhyarte, Krantadhyarte Panchamya iti. So, Nirgataha Jarayaha. This is the sutra. In fact, it's not a sutra, it is Vartika. This Vartika is there in the Samasa Vidayaka Sutra. In fact, we don't chant that Vartika. Once we learn Kugati Pradayaha Samasa, that time we will do it. You see, Samasa Vidayaka Sutra, after Kugati Pradayaha, after Kugati 2 to 18, then we have this Sutra. Pradayaha, Gatadhyarte Pratamaya, Atyadayaha, Trantadyarte Dvitiya, Avadayaha, Krushtadhyarte Tritiya, Paryadayaha, Glanadhyarte Chaturtya. Now, Niradayaha, that is the Vartika. Krantadhyarte Panchamya. By that Vartika to this Sutra, Kugati Pradayaha, that is a Sutra 2 to 18. 2 to 18 Kugati Pradayaha, we get this form, Nirjaraha. So, the Samasa is formed by that Vartika. So, Nirgataha, Jarayaha is Panchami. So, Nir Adayaha, Nir is the Nir, etc. Nir, etc. Nir, etc. That also we have to discuss. Gati, the word Gati. Gati is a Upasarga, Gati, etc. All these are terms, technical terms. So we need to discuss. We'll see that in the Samasa context. Okay, Gati Samasa we have. Praditat Purusha we have. So what is Gati? What is Upasarga? And Gati Upasarga and one more is there in that section.
Nipatas.
Yeah, Nipata. And in Karaka, we have seen on mouthful of word, that Karma Pravachaniya, right? Karma Pravachaniya, I think we saw in Karaka, I just entered. So all those terms we need to know. So we will see that. Separately, we will see Pragrishvara, Nipataha is there, Nipata, Sanya is there, Gati Sanya, Upasarga, Karma Pravachaniya. So all those technical terms we will see. So before Kugati Pradeha, we need to have a introduction to that. After that, we will see Gati Samasa. That's why Kugati Pradeha I didn't do. I just started Karmadharya. That is the intention. So we will see that. And then we see Kugati Pradeha. So Gati, Pradi. See, if you are so curious, you can see 1/4 section. Before Kugati Pradeha, we need to know that. We will see. Just I will show you. Pragrishvara Nipataha. Here it is 1453. Prag Ishvarat Nipataha. Swaradi Nipatam Avyayam. So all these are Avyayam. Chadaya Asatve. Cha, etc. Cha is Avyaya, right? Cha, Asatve, when it doesn't denote the Rabya. Then Pradayaha, Pradigana is there. All these are Nipataha, Avyayam. And Pradayaha, which are Nipataha, coming as Anuvritti. Kriya Yoge, it will get Upasarga Sanya. So the ship pra is Upasarga, pra, etc. Pra, upa, apa, ni, etc. They get Upasarga Sanya. Kriya Yoge, Upasarga Sanya. Otherwise, no. Then Gatischa gets Gati Sanya also. Now we can connect to Gati Pradayaha. Okay, so this section we have to see. We'll see that. After that, we will see Kugati Pradeha, Samasa, and Samasa Tech class. Now, here, Nirjara, the word is derived by the Sutra, by the Vartika to the Sutra, Kugati Pradeha. Just note that. Nirgataha, that is Niradeha, Jarayaha Panchami. Jarayaha Panchami. Therefore, Niradeha Kranta Dyarte Panchamya. By that Vartika, Jara has gone from whom? That is the meaning. Old age has gone from whom? So by Kugati Pradeha, Nir is Nir combined with Jara. Nir combined with Jara, you form a Samasa. And Jara is Jarayaha, it will be Jarayaha, gets Upasajana Sanya, and Jarayaha will become Rasvaha. You know, Gostriyo Upasajanasya, if you remember Samasa, the Sutra, Gostriyo Upasajanasya, we have seen. Goshabda and Upasajana Shabda, Upasajana, that is Gostriyaha. Now that which doesn't change. You know, Eka Vibhaktihi, that in Samasa. So when you do the Vigraha, when the Vibhakti of that will doesn't change. Eka Vibhakti cha Purva Nipate, remember. So that Eka Vibhakti, Apurva Nipate, that also gets Upasarjana Sanya. So therefore, the Upasarjanam becomes Rasva. Upasarjanam becomes Rasva. Goes to the Upasarjanasya, Kim Bhavati, Rasvaha Bhavati. Therefore, Jara becomes Jara. Now becomes Akaranta Shabda. Okay, that is how you get Nirjara. I don't expect you to understand how the word comes. It is of the application of the Sutra. Or the Sutra we will see in Samasa class. Okay. Just note this much. By the Vartika of the Sutra, Kukati Pradayaha, we get the word Nirjara. Now, Nirjara Akaranta Shabda, you can decline. Meaning is Devata. Amaraha Ityartaha. So Jara has gone from the person. Jarayaha Panchami. Jarayaha is Panchami. Nirgataha Jarayaha. Nirjaraha iti pullinge Nirjaraha. Now, here I have written Upasarjana Rasvaha. By this word, you should be able to understand Upasarjana is Jara enjoys Upasarjana, therefore goes to Upasarjanasya. By the Sutra, it becomes Rasvaha. Upasarjana is Eka Vibhakti cha Purva Nipate. In the Vigraha Vakya, if the Vibhakti of the Shabda doesn't change, then it gets Upasarjana Sanya. And also we have seen if it's Shashtiantam, then it will not enjoy that Upasarjana Sanya by the Vartika. Ardha Pippalyaha, remember, Ardham Pippalyaha, Ardena Pippalyaha, then then Ardena, then Ardha Pippalyaha, Ardha Pippalyaha, Ardhasya Pippalyaha, Ardhe Pippalyaha iti Pippalyaha, all Shashti Vibhakti. Excepting Shashti, other Anta, then gets Upasarjana Sanya, then becomes Rasvaha by Gostri Upasarjanasya. You remember? Samasa? You have
Yes,
seen.
Shabda.
Very difficult to remember, I know, but try. Okay. Otherwise, also, don't worry. Just take the Nirjara Shabda as it is. Okay. We'll take the Nirjara Shabda and do the declension. If this is you can't remember, no problem. But Samasa class you have to remember. Okay. If you don't remember, it is fine. But Ardha Pippali and all we remember. We have seen Ardham Napumsakam, should be able to connect that. In that context, we have seen Eka Vibhakti cha Purva Nipate. get upasarjana sanya. Upasarjanam for what? Not for purva, nipata. It is for making it hrasva in a compound, goes to upasarjanasya. Okay, all this we can recall by that. Jara become jara. Now the point is, jara become jara. That is what is important. Jara become jara. So when jara become jara, then the other paribhasha will apply. Ekadesha vikritam, ananyavat, etc. It is same, the word only, jara only. It has become jara. So its property doesn't change. So we will see those paribhashas applying here. Now let us decline. Nirjara akarantaha, pullingaha, nirjara shabdaha. Nirjara plus su. You get nirjaraha. Simple. It's like Rama Shabda, Rama plus su, Ramaha. So Pratama Vibhakti, no problem. Decline. Nirjara plus au. Here what will happen? Here au is Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyay. Pare kim bhavati? Now the next sutra comes. This is a sutra. This is an important sutra. For this, only for this declension. Shabda. Jarayaha jarasaha. Jarayaha jaras. Anyatarasyam. Optionally, Jarayaha. Jarayaha what vibhakti? Shashti vibhakti. Sastani. Jarayaha stane jaras adesha bhavati vikalpena. Therefore, only you have two forms. If you don't replace jara by jaras, then like Rama Shabda. Nirjaraha, nirjarao, nirjaraha. But vikalpa is there. So replaced by jaras. Now this akaranta becomes sakaranta. Jara shabdasya ajadishu vivaktishu pareshu vikalpena jaras adesha bhavati. Jara is option replaced by the word jaras. When followed by ajadi vakti pratyaya. That's important. Jarayaha jaras anyatarasya ajadi vakti pratyaya pare. That's okay. 72101. You check the sutra pata. 72101. Ajadi vakti pratyaya pare coming as anuvritti. 72101. Ito. 72101. 72 section, many sutras also. 72101. Okay. Yeah, 72101. Jarayaha, Jaras Anitarasyam, Achirarataha. Okay. Oh, okay. All in one section only. That's why we saw 7299, 7200. Then you can see 72101. So next, very next sutra, Achirarataha. Achieve only, going as anuvritti. Right? Do you see the sutra? 72101.
Yes.
The 72 section is, what is 72 section? Important section, 72. What is the deal with? 72. What do you remember? What section is it? Main section is, anybody, what is that? 72. Ittagama, right? 72 is what? Adadatukasya it valadehe. It prakaranam, we have seen. Remember? No?
Yeah, yes.
Ella marandu pochu. Adadatukasya it valadehe. Important, we have seen. It vyavastha, the complete Samskrita Bharati book. Nishta pratyaya, Trish pratyaya, Tavya pratyaya, Tva pratyaya, right? We have seen. Important section 7 to 35. That is a threshold. Sutras before that negates Ittagama, sutras after that ordains Ittagama optionally. That's why becomes dhatus become weight. So this is the 7 to means you have to remember this. 7 to 35 Adadatukasya it valadehe. Now, after at this section only, later we have the sutras. Here also, if you remember, we have seen from here. See, it's not connected with that, but you know. Have you seen this sutra? pratyaya uttarapadayoscha. Remember? Don't remember, right?
Yeah, that tva and
Hmm.
vatta matta that comes.
Mama putraha will become
Vatta.
mat putraha. Tava putraha will become tvat putraha. Tva paryantam, ma paryantam. Remember, replace
Yeah.
it by. That is a sutra. This Samasa we have seen this. And 799 just now we saw. And after that, the sutra Jarayaha Nitarasya. And Tyadadina Maha and Sarvanama Shabda that we are going to see later. Okay. So this section, the later part you can see. This is main part in the beginning. The beginning part of this it prakarana. So after that we have these sutras are there. So Pratyayottara Padayoscha we have seen. And 9900 we have seen. Now Jarayaha Nitarasya we are going to see, for which the Anuvritti is Achi. Ajada Vikti Pratyaya Pare. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now see this Samasa, this Gostripasajanasya Ekavikti Chapurum Nipate. Please just you can recall. It's very important letter. We are going to use that. In which context Shashti Satpurusha Samasa we have seen. Ardham Napumsakam, if you take that, you will find the discussion what we had. Okay, Ardha Napumsakam, because I understand it's very difficult to remember everything. But once you see, you should be able to recall. Once you see the sutra, once what we have seen, that you should be able to recall, I think. So this the topic is Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Under Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa, we have seen. See, the thing is, I have not also summarized. I just taught you, but I have not summarized all this thing. Summarizing is a difficult thing, huh? I'll try to do it later. Here you can see Ardha Napumsakalingam. This is what I said. Ardha Napumsakam. So here, Ardham Pipalyaha, Ardha Pipali. The Pipalyaha in genitive doesn't get Upasarjana Sanya. When you do the Vigraha Vakya, Ardham Pipalyaha, Ardham Pipalyaha, Ardhena Pipalyaha, Ardhaya Pipalyaha, etc. So in all these Vigraha, Pipalyaha retain the same Vibhakti, Nischita Vibhakti. Therefore, Upasarjana Sanya, it will not get. If it is other than Shashti Bhakti, sorry, it's all same Vibhakti, therefore Upasarjana Sanya, but Shashtiyantam doesn't get Upasarjana Sanya. Okay, if it is Shashtiyanta, it will not get Upasarjana Sanya. Eka Bhakti Chapur Nipate, this is what I said. That which is Eka Vibhakti, here Eka Vibhakti in the Vigraha Vakya, therefore it should get Upasarjana Sanya, but by the Vartika, Shashtiyantam Upasarjana Sanya Naha Bhavati. One Vartika is there. So by that, you don't get Upasarjana Sanya. Therefore, it will not become Rasva. Ardha Pipali is only the compound. And all these things you have seen. Atikrantaha Malam, Atikrantam Malam, Atikrantaya Malam. So Mala means Dvitiya Vibhakti. Therefore, in the compound, what will happen? Ati and Mala becomes goes to Upasarjanasya by that sutra. Mala, which has Upasarjana Sanya, become Rasva Ati Malaha. Right? The Pratipadikam. Remember now.
Yes, Shanji.
Yes.
Yes.
Important sutra goes to Upasarjanasya. Here Upasarjana Sanya by the sutra Eka Vibhakti Chapur Nipate. Not for placing it first. It is for making it Rasva in the compound. Rasvatvam is achieved by this sutra. Go Shabda and Upasarjana Shabdasya Napumsa. It will become Rasva. Okay. Upasarjana Go Shabdantasya Upasarjana Stri Pratyantasya Cha Pratipadikasya Rasvaha Bhavati. This is important. So the same things apply. Jara will become Jara. That is what Upasarjana Rasvaha. Okay. Continuing now. Now coming back to the Jarayaha Jaras Anitarasya. Kashikakarasya Jara iti etasya Jaras iti ayam adesha bhavati. अन्यत्र अस्य अजाद विभक्तौ परतः. Okay. So when followed by ajadi vibhakti pratyaya, jara will get jaras. Example, jarasa dantaha shiryante. Jarasa dantaha shiryante. Sorry, jaraya. Jarase tva paridadyuhu. Jarahi tva paridadyuhu. Achiti evam jarabhyam. Why achiti? Because here jara is not replaced by jaras. Jarabhyam. Jara plus bhyam, jarabhyam. Rama plus bhyam, ramabhyam. Supicha applies. Right? Supicha angasya digatvam. Rama become Rama. Right? Jarabhyam, jarabihi.
Yes.
Anyway, we are going to see that. The sutras. Okay. Jara is vruddhatvam. I am akarantaha strilinga shabdaha. Right? Jara is akaranta. I am not akaranta. Akaranta strilinga shabdaha. Now in the compound it has become jara. Now asya shabdasya. Now this jara shabdasya. Vibhakti ajadi vibhakti pratyayeshu pareshu vikalpena jaras adesha bhavati. So jara will be replaced by jaras. Okay. Our word is nirjara. Nir and jara is there. Now jara will be replaced by jaras. Jaras is anekal. Therefore, anekalship sarvasya iti sutra iti paribhashaya. So, sampurna sthaninaha sthane agacchati. So, jaras will be jaras is the adesha in the place of jara. Jara shabdasya sthane jaras sarvadesha bhavat. Right? So, now jara plus av you take. What will happen? Jara plus av. I'm just taking jara, not jara. Jara plus av. Ajadi vibhakti pratyaya pare. Jara will be replaced by jaras. Vikalpena. Right? So, jaras plus av, jarasav.
So,
Similarly, jara plus ta, jarasa, vikalpena. Jara will be replaced by jaras. Anekalshit sarvasya iti paribhashaya. Sarvasya sthane jaras adesha. Jaras plus sa, jarasa. Now, jaras, if it is not ordained, then what will happen? Jara is strilinga. Okay, now I'm just taking jara only, not a compound. Akaranta shabda. That's why in the beginning he said akarantaha jara shabdaha iti. Right? I am akaranta strilinga shabdaha. So like Rama shabdavat. Jara jare, jaraha, jaram jare, jaraha. You can decline. Right? It is strilinga shabda. So jara jare, jaraha, jaram jare, jaraha. Iti shabda is declined. Okay. Now here, this I copied only for the website only. Asya sutra asya, this is what is important. The following points are important. विषये तिस्रः परिभाषाः ज्ञातव्यः. 3 paribhashas have to be known. Among them 2 paribhashas already we have seen. We know it. Now this paribhasha you say. First one. Padangadikare tasya cha tadantasya cha. So jara is replaced by jaras. That's what sutra says, right? Jarayaha jaras anyatarasya. Actually, we should have seen jara shabda, strilinga, and then jaras. Anyway, jara is like Rama shabdavata, therefore there is no problem. So, right, jara is replaced by jaras. Okay, let us do the strilinga. So, jara jare jaraha, right? First, let us do strilinga, and then we'll come to the compound. This nirjara pullinga shabda. Jara jare jaraha. Optionally, it is like Rama shabda. Jara jare jaraha. Optionally, we will have what form? By the sutra, jarayaka nitarasya.
jaras.
Yeah. Huh?
One is Rama, like will come.
Rama,
Another
Rame,
one is
Ramaha.
Jaras.
Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Supratyaya, nothing happens. Whereas Dvivachanam, Au, so Jara plus Au, Rama plus Au, right? Rama plus Au, what happens? Rama plus Au is Rama plus Au. You get Rame, right? How do you get Rame? How do you get Rame? Bharat Bache, huh?
You apply 7118, what is that?
Rama plus Au, Akaranta Shabda.
Ekaradesha.
Rame comes.
Puna Adesha.
Gunadesha. Gunadesha.
No.
7-1. 1 minute, sir. You need to check.
Please check.
Aungaha.
Aungaha. Ganesh ji told no. Aungaha apaha. What is that?
7-1-18.
7-1-18 will. Therefore, abanta danga she adesha. Right.
Then
So therefore, a plus e become a. Ramarane. Jara jari. Right. Now we say here Jarayaha Anyatarasya, one more form will be replaced by Jaras. Jaras plus how will become? Jarasau. So Jara, Jarasau, one more form, Jare, and similarly Bhagavachanam will be Jaraha, like Rama Shabdavat. And one more form will be Jarasaha. Jarasaha. Jaras plus Shas, right? Sorry, Jaras plus Jarasaha. See, this Jara Shabda I have not declined in fully in Sri Lanka because it is simple, that's why I left it. But optional form is the Jara Shabda. Please note. Or if you want, we have to do it in Sri Lanka Prakaranam. Okay, I will do it here and then maybe I'll copy that. Okay, 1 minute. I will do one thing here. Even though this Shabda we have not done, it's okay. It's like same like Rama Shabda. That's why not done. I'll do one thing. You tell the form, Rama Shabda form, optional form, I will do it. Just a minute. Yeah. See, let's copy pasted here. Yeah. Jaras Adeshya Bhave, Mala Shabdavat Bhavati. Jaras Jaraso Jarasaha. Just a minute. Okay, yeah. Akarantaha Strilingaha Jara Shabdaha. So what will the form? Pratama Bhakti Ekavacham would be. Tell I type. Jara, right? Rama Shabdavat Jara, then Jare. Optionally, Jara will be replaced by Jaras. Jaras plus Jaraso. Then Bhagavachanam. Jaraha is there. Then Jarasaha. Similarly, Dvivachanam, Dvitiya Bhakti, Ekavachanam. Jaram is Rama Shabdavat. Ami Purvaha. Jaram then Jarasam. Right?
Yeah.
Jara Jarasam. And Dvivachanam same as
1, 2.
1, 2. So Aungaha Apaha. And Bhagavachanam, that also same. Rama Rame Ramaha, Ramam Rame Ramaha, right? Same. So Jara Jare Jaraha,
Yeah.
Jaram Jare Jaraha, and Jaras is optional. Tritiya Bhakti Ekavachana would be
Ramaya, Jaraya.
so okay. How do you get Jaraya? Rama Shabda. Ramaya, how do you get?
First, Angichapaha.
Yasud. Yadapaha, right? And yeah. Yes.
No, sir.
Sorry?
Angichapaha and then Echoya Vayavaha. Yadapa will come later on.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Angi Chapahan, yes. This is Tritiya Bhakti, right? Yes. Angi Chapaha will come. Angi Osicha Ekara Desha Bhavati. Therefore, yes. Jaraya. And Jaras plus Ta would be Jarasa. Optional form. And here, another form. Huh?
Jaras plus Biham.
No. Sutra is Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya Pare Eva. Okay. This is not Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya, no other form, only one form. Okay.
Okay.
Only one form. Then Jarabihi, Jarabhyaha. Then Jarabhyaha. And Chaturthi Ekavachanam would be,
Rahe.
yeah, Rama He. What do you get? Rahi.
Yatagama.
Yes, yeah. Then another form is Jaras plus A, Jarase. Right? Then Panchami. Panchami will be Jarayaha. This is what is there in the compound, Jarayaha. Nirgataha Jarayaha Kranta Dhyarte. And another form is Jarasaha. Right? Jaras plus Shas. Jaras plus Nas, Nasi. Then Jaras plus Nas. That also same. Jarayaha, Jarasaha. And 6-2.
Jarayo.
Jarayoho, then Jarasoho. Two form. And here it is 6-3. Ami. It's Ajali Bhakti Pratyaya. Therefore, Jarayam, Jaranam, Ramanam, Jaranam, and Jaras plus Am will be
Yes.
Jarasam. Two form. Then Saptami Ekavachanam. Jarayam and Jaras plus E, Jarasi. Right? And 7-2 same as 6-2. Jarayoho, Jarasoho. And 7-3. It's not Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya. Therefore, only one form. Ramasu, Jarasu. And Sambodhana, He, Jare, Erame. And 8-2 we have, it is Au, therefore two forms. Erame, Erame. And Jaras plus Au, Jarasau. And Bhagavachana would be Jaraha and Jarasaha. This is Srilinga Rupam, right? This is Srilinga. But in a compound, Jara becomes Jara. Jaras Adeshasya Bhave, Mala Shabdavat Rupani Bhavati, Rama Shabdavat. Okay, we have done this now, Srilinga. You can note this. Jara Shabda is one Shabda where you have Vikalpa forms when Najadi Vakti Pratyaya Pare, right? Understand this?
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Here, see, here, one minute. Yeah, okay, this is fine. The next one. Now let us see this Nirgata and Nirjara. For this, it is a compound, therefore we need this paribhasha. Tisraha paribhashaha jnatavyaha. Number 1, Pada Anga, Padanga adhikare tasya cha tadantasya cha. This is a paribhasha, which is in paribhasha into Shekhara. The meaning is, asyaha paribhashaya arthaha ayam. Pada adhikara. Pada adhikara not given, the number are not given in the website. We know Padasya 8116, from there onwards up to 8355. Padasya adhikara. Padasya pada adhikara. Then Anga adhikara. Anga is 641 up to 74 end. 7th chapter, last sutra, 7497, Anga adhikara. So in this two adhikara, cha yat kimapi karyam proktam asti. Whatever karya is ukta in this adhikara, pada adhikara and Anga adhikara. Tat nirdishtasya shabdasya tu bhavati eva. Whatever karyam is ordained for shabda, for that shabda it will happen. Parantu, but Saga nirdishta shabda yasya ante asti. But if that shabda is at the end of which, then it means a compound. As a part of the compound, it is there at the end. Will it apply? Yes. Tasya samasta padasya api bhavati. That is what he says. It is something like yena vidi tadantasya. Okay, something like. And this is restricted only to padasya angadikare tasya cha tadantasya. Tadantasya is Tadanta Vidhi. Yena Vidhi Tadantasya. You know, a Vidhi is applicable to you. A letter is applicable to the word ending with that letter, right? Similarly, here also. Samasta Padasyapi Bhavati. Vartamana Sutram Angadhikare Asti. What Sutram Vartamana Sutram? Jarayaha Jaras Anyatarasyam. The sutra is in Angadhikara, right? Therefore, this paribhasha will apply. Jarayaha Jaras Anyatarasyam. It is in Angadhikara, right? Therefore, this sutra, this paribhasha will apply. By that, Jara, which is a part of the compound, also will undergo the replacement. The replacement Jas. Jarayaha Anyatarasyam will apply. Understand? Therefore, Jara Shabda is replaced by Jaras, we saw Shrilinga. Now, Jara Shabdasya Nena Nidishtaha Adeshaha Nirjara Adesh Shabdasyapi Bhavet. It will applicable also for the Nirjara Shabda. That's why this is called Tadanta Paribhasha. We have Tadanta Vidhi, right? Similarly, this is Tadanta Paribhasha. Yena Vidhi Tadantasya is Sutra. It is a Sutram, Sutra Paribhasha. This is Tadanta Paribhasha. So, for the word, certain karya which is ordained in the Anga Adhikara and Pada Adhikara, that applicable for the word as part of the compound. When it is a part of the compound, also that the karya will apply for it. This is what the sutra says. Pada Anga Adhikare Tasya Cha Tadantasya Cha Tasya Shabdasya Tadantasya Shabdasya Cha Bhavati. Understand? So, therefore, Jara is replaced by Jaras optionally. Is applicable for the compound also. Nirjara. Nirjara is Jara. So, that is a form of Jara only. Therefore, the compound ending with the Jara also will undergo this Karya. Understand? Is it clear?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
This paribhasha important. Next one. Nirdishyamanasya adeshaha bhavanti. This paribhasha we have seen. We have seen in Alanta Pullinga Prakram. I remember, you know, that Padishabda. How do you declare Padishabda? You remember Pad? That is from Pada, Pad, Supad, etc. We did. So, if you take the Padishabda alone, you know, Padar, Pada, you have to take the Alanta Prakram. Anyway, very difficult to. The file is long file. Okay. So I'll, but one thing I can show you. Okay. Website only you have to see. One minute. I'll see the website whether this is there. Yes. 1 minute. Just a minute. I think, but
Yes, it is there, sir. Padash.
yeah, but the I remember this. We applied for the Pat Shabda. Padaha Pat one sutram. In fact, you see the website. This Pada Levit, you see, not the Pata Sutra Pata. Padaha Pat, that is a sutra. Padaha Pat, that we saw this Paribhasha. In Ananta Prakaranam, we did this. 64130, the sutra. Padaha Pat. It means Pada will be replaced by Pada iti bhasanyakasya Angasya Pada Shabdasya Pad Adesha Bhavati, right? Pada, which is the bhasanyakanga, will be replaced. That is why, you know, if you see, now Shabda Pata, if you see, Pada Shabda you take.
64130.
64130. Now you see Pada. Pada iti bhasanyakasya Pada Shabdasya Stane Pad Adesha Bhavati. That is why you have Padaha, one more form, right? One form is like Rama Shabda. Other form is there Pada, Pade, right? Do you see? This is Bhasanyakanga. Pada is replaced by pad. Pad plus pada, pad plus nye, pade, then nasi, padaha, padaha, right? This is by the sutra. This is padaha, pad. Now, what is the connection here? Now, here, similarly, if you take supad, supad, what will happen, supad? Supad also, the supad, supad is, it is pada shabda. Supad, it is, if you see, supadaha, you see, bhasingikasya angasya, what will happen? Pada is replaced by pad, therefore padaha. It is not supadaha. Supada, pada is replaced by pad, supade, supadaha, supadaha, it all happens. Bhasingikasya angasya, pada is replaced by supada. See, padaha pat, the sutra ordains only for pada. Then how can you do it here? How can you do it? Here, you can, if should we do for the entire compound or only for the pada shabda alone? Only for the pada shabda in the compound. Supada, supaditi, sushtu padu. Now you see the sutra pada pad. There we saw this paribhasha. Okay, let's see. Recall it is good, otherwise also fine. So we can recall that now pada pad. Here with this paribhasha we are seeing. Here you can see nirdishyamanasya adeshaha bhavanti. See. Just quickly we'll see. Atra pada shabda. Pada is uta pad eto sadhu shabdo. Okay, then Shobana pado yasya saha. This is the compound, right? The one who has, in fact, we have seen this. Shobana pado yasya saha asmin bhakubhrigi arte samase krite su plus pada yasite. Padasya lopaha akara lopam. By this sutra, when you do the compound 53138, by that akara lopam krutva, you get supad. Shobana pado yasya saha. That su stands for Shobana. Good. Pada. Then by 5468, what will happen? A Bhagavati compound, right? The Padasya, Akarasya, Lopakabhavati. Therefore, you get Supad. Now, what will happen? Asya Bhasanyayam Satyam, Paditi Asya, Pad Adeshaka Bhavetiti, Vartamana Sutra, Spashti Kriyate. Therefore, Pad will be replaced by Pad by the Sutra. Bhasanyakasya Angasya, Pad. Now, the question comes. What is this? Supad Prasta. Iti State. येन विदितदन्तस्य इति सुपादशब्दस्य सम्पूर्णस्य पदादेशः भवेत्. Supad will be replaced by what? By this sutra, pad. Then if you replace the entire by pad, it's a problem. It is, su will go, right? Shobana pad, it's not a Bahurika anymore. You cannot replace yena vididadantasya by that paribhasha. It is applicable to the word ending with that word, right? Supad shabdasya sampurnasya pad adesha bhavati. Pad is the anekala adesha, and it is ordained for supad. Therefore, applying the paribhasha yena vidhi, that vidhi which is ordained for a word is applicable for the word ending with that word, ending with that letter. So it will entire supad will be replaced by pad. That's a problem. Therefore, we have one paribhasha there which we have seen. Nirdishyamanasya eva adeshaha bhavanti. That is, the replacement will happen only for what is mentioned in the sutra, not for the entire pada. Anaya paribhashaya yatra kasyachana padarthasya vishishta rupena nirdesham krutva adeshvidanam krutam asti tatra tasma shabdadeva pratyvidiyate tadantatna. Therefore, supad prasta iti atra kevalam pad shabdasya eva padadesha bhavati. Not the entire supad is replaced by pad. Nirdishyamanasya, what is specified, that alone will be replaced. So, the pad alone is replaced by pad, not the entire word supad. Understand? Pada, which is a part of the compound, right?
Yes,
and the compound ending with the pad, and that alone replaced by pad, not the entire compound. Yena vidhi tadantasya, what we apply? Yena vidhi tadantasya, by that paribhasha, yena vidhi vidhiyate, tat vidhi tadantasya shabdasya padasya bhavati, right? Applicable to the pada ending with that word. So if that is so, the entire supad is a word ending with spad. It's applicable to the word, entire word. So entire word supad will be replaced by pad. That is not ishtam. Then it's a problem. Then supad you will not, they will get supada and all. The compound itself you will not be able to identify if you replace the entire word by pad. Therefore, there is a paribhasha. Nirdishyamanasya eva. What is specified, that alone will be replaced, not the entire standing. Okay. So, yena vididadantasya and nirdishyamanasya adeshaha can understand this together. This ordains, yena vididadantasya ordains adesha in the place of that which, which we have seen. Visheshanam nidishtaha vidiki, tam visheshanam svikritya api bhavati, tadantam svikritya api bhavati. Applicable to the word ending with that letter, right? Letter or whatever it is. Yet tadrasya, you can see here. Tena sutra nidishta vidihi visheshanasya vishetu avashyam eva prayujite, parantu tad visheshanam yasya ante vidyate tadrishasya sabdasya vishaya api prayujyate. It is applicable for the word ending with that, right? So therefore, this yena vididadantasya, if you apply, the supad will be replaced by pad. Okay, that is not ishtam. Therefore, this paribhasha is this we have seen in this context, because we have seen pada shabda, supad shabda also. Alanta prakaranam we have seen. It's difficult to remember. Again, it's okay. If you remember, it's fine. Otherwise, second time you will see. Nirdishyamanasya adeshaha bhavanti. Why we discuss here? Because the compound is nirjara. No, jaraya janat andatarasyam will nirjara will be replaced by jaras. No. By this paribhasha, asyaha paribhashayah arthaha tadanta paribhashaya yadyapi karyam tadantasya bhavati tatapi adesha tu kevalam sutre nirdishyamanasya mani eva bhavati. Sutre nirdishyamanasya eva bhavati. Sampurnasya samasta padasya na. Yata jara shabdasya anena sutre nirdishtah adesha yadyapi nirjara shabdasya api bhavati. It's applicable to nirjara shabda also. Right? Jara is replaced by jaras. By yena tadantasya, nirjara also must be replaced by jaras. That is not ishtam. Therefore, this paribhasha walks in. No. Jara ityasya eva sthane jaras adesha vidiyati natu jara shabdasya sthane. Understand? Because jaras is anekal and nirjara is anekal. Therefore, entire thing will be replaced by jaras. If you apply yena tadantasya, that is not ishtam. Therefore, this paribhasha walks in. Nirdishyamanasya eva adeshaha bhavanti. So this for this paribhasha, you can remember this example. One is nirjara, other one is supad. For we saw, for you can understand. Can you follow?
Yes, sure.
Do you remember
Yes.
supad?
yes, sir.
We could recollect. Now we could recollect after use.
Yes. Okay. Supad, you see, check the notes. It is there. We have discussed.
Yeah, we
Pada,
have done all
supada.
these.
Yes.
Because given
Yeah, you're given
Yeah,
you're given that.
everything.
Yeah.
Yes.
Everything is there.
Yes.
of words.
It's not possible to remember everything, but at least if you remember that you have studied, that's okay. Then you can go and verify it. Okay, therefore nirjara plus ta, what will happen? Ajadi Vibhakti pratyaya pare, only jara shabda alone will be replaced by jaras, not the entire. Okay. So you get jara is replaced by jaras, you get nirjarasa. And nirjaraya by, that is like Rama shabda, right? Rama plus ta, you said Angi.
Yadapah.
Okay. Angi chapa, right?
Yadapah.
Not yadapa.
No, here it don't come. Angi chapaha.
Angi chapaha. Angi
Oh,
chapaha.
Angi
Angi pare chapaha. Yes. Angi chapaha play. Okay. Similarly, ajara. Na ajara, ajara. This is also compound. Okay. So here also what will happen? Chaturthi. Ajarasyai. Ajarase. Jara is replaced by jaras. For ajarase. Then
Is it
ajara
nirja?
plus ye. It is typo. Ajara ye it should be. Okay. Not ajarasye. Yeah. But
Sorry,
ajarasye.
Prithviraj.
Sorry.
Ajara or nirja?
Yadapa and Prithviraj.
Word is nirja.
No. Just taking another example.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Ajara means avidyamana jara. It's a compound.
Okay.
Nirjara is another compound. This is Kugati Pradeha compound. Ajara is Bhaguriki compound.
Okay.
Jara na vidyate yasya ajara.
Okay.
Okay. You can take any form. Compound is a compound, right?
Ajara.
This is a different compound. This is a different compound. So here also we will have two forms. If you have Ajara Shabda, Akaranta Shabda, two forms. One is Rama Shabdavata, other one is Jara replaced by Jaras. Only one example I have given here. Chaturthi. Okay.
Okay.
Now, this is second paribhasha. So, two paribhasha. Third one is, now, Jara is replaced by Jaras. So, what will happen? Ekadesha Vikritam Ananyavatu. This paribhasha, you know it. In fact, Samasa, we apply every time this. What does it say? Ekadesha Vikritam, a change in a place, a change happened to a word, right? The word will not become a different word. This example we gave, no, this, a dog tail is cut. It will continue to be a dog only, right? It will bark only. It will not become some other animal. Ekadesha Vikritam. Vikritam, a change happened to Ekadesha, a part of it. Ananyavata, na Anyavata. It will not become different. It is same. Asyaha paribhasha arthaha ayam kaschana shabdaha sam shabda. Ekasmin bhage yadyapi vikritaha parivartika asti. A part of it undergoes change. Like Jara becomes Jaras. Tatapi saha Anyavata na bhavati. That's why Ananyavata. Moola Shabdavat eva bhavati ityartaha. As it was the Moola Shabda, originally dog only. After the removal of the tail, it continues to be dog only, right? That is what is Ekadesha Vikritam Ananyavatu. Jara yasya asti saha asminarte Jara iti akaranta pullinga shabda siddhyati. Right? But now atra gosri upasajjanasya iti rasvadeshe krite Jara iti siddhyati. We apply gosri upasajjanasya compound. Jara become Jara. Now Anaya Prakriya Nirbita Jara Shabdaha Jara Shabdasya Kevalam Akarya Parivartanam Krutva eva jayate. Ataha Vartamana Sutrena Jara Shabdasya Asmin Sutra Yati Karya Muktam Asti Tat Jara iti Akaranta Shabdasya api bhavati. Jara only replaced by Jaras. Now how can we do it for Pullinga Shabda if a question comes? In fact, Pullinga Shabda, the Nirjara, it derived from Jara only, right? Ekadesha Vikritam, only A has become A. So therefore, whatever karya is supposed to happen for Jara, it will happen for Jara also. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, nice.
Jara will undergo Jaras means Jara also will undergo Jaras because the Jara is nothing but derived from Jara only. Only A has become A in the compound. By goes to Upasajjanasya Rasvattam Bhavati. Jara becomes Jara. So Jara is Ekadesha Vikritaha. Vikrita Kritaha Shabdaha. So therefore, Jara will be replaced by Jaras because the question will come. The sutra says Jara is replaced by Jaras. Then how can you replace it in the compound Nirjara? Suppose Nirjara. How can you replace Nirjara? The question may come. Pullinga. Here it's a Linga, it's okay. Pullinga it will happen. Then Pullinga also it will happen. Because the Nirjara, the Jara in Nirjara is nothing but from Jara only. It has undergone change. So therefore, Ekadesha Vikritam Ananyavatu, by that paribhasha, Jara will be replaced by Jaras. So therefore, Jaras Adeshaha, right? Vartamana Sutrena, Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya Pare. So example, Jaras plus Au. Jarasau, Jarasaha, Jarasa, we will see. एतासां चतुर्णां परिभाषाणां प्रयोगेन निर्जर इति अकारान्त पुल्लिंग शब्दस्य अनेन सूत्रेण अजादि विभक्ति प्रत्यये परे विकल्पेन जरस् आदेशः विधीयते. We will see now. Nirjara plus ta. Now, jara will be replaced by jara. The question comes first. Jarayaha nitarasyam. That jaras is ordained only for jara. Yes, jara not there. Ekadesha vikritam ananyavata number 1. And this sutra is Padangadhikare Yat Karyam Bhavati Tasya Cha Tadantasya Paribhashaya. This is applicable to Nirjara word also. It's applicable to the word ending with that word. Number 1. And second Paribhasha Nirdishya Manasya Adesha Bhavati Natu Sarvasya Sthane. Only Jara will be replaced by Jaras, not the entire one. The third one already we saw. The question comes, Jara is not the Jara. It is Ekadesha Vikritam Ananyavata. So Jara only has become Jara. So therefore, whatever is supposed to happen for Jara will happen for Jara also. So applying the three Paribhasha, when you apply the sutra Jarayaha Nitarasyam, the Jara will be replaced by Jaras. Understand? So the three Paribhashas are along with the sutra is understood. Is it clear? Number 1.
Yes.
Padangarikare Tasya Cha Tadantasya Cha. Tasya Cha Tadantasya is that vidhi is applicable to the word, is applicable to the Samasta Padam also. Right? The sutra which is in Padadhikara Angadhikara is applicable to the word with the compound also. Number 1. Number 2 is Nirdishyamanasya eva adeshaha bhavati natu sarvasya. Therefore, not the entire. Yena viditadantasya, by that you cannot replace the entire word. Only that word alone. That part of the compound alone will be replaced. Number 2. Number 3. Ekadesha vikritam ananyavata. It's only for Jara. Now only Jara is there in here. Ekadesha vikritam by the Paribhasha. Jara, this Jara also can be replaced by Jaras. Okay, therefore, we can apply the sutram Jaraya Kanetarasyam. So Jara Adeshaha Bhavati. So Nirjaras plus ta Nirjarasa. Right?
Next.
This is now we are doing Pullinga. We are doing Pullinga. Nirjara is Pullinga. Can do Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga. Jara as such Srilinga Shabda we have derived. And we are now there in the compound. So compound we are taking Pullinga Shabda. Pullinga Shabda just Vikalpena. 2 forms will be there. Ramena. So therefore, Nirjarena 1 form and Nirjarasa another form. We are going to see that. Okay, all the forms you will see. The same way, Nirjaraso, Nirjarasaha, Nirjarase, Adini, Rupani, Bhavanti. Right?
Yes.
Not 1. Okay, this is copy paste problem. Nirjara is 1, 2. 1, 2, Nirjaraha, 1, 3 can say. And this is 3, 1.
3, 1.
Okay, now let us see. Okay, this is all explanations on the website only. Okay, anyway, we'll see after that Nirjara Shabda we will decline. So Nirjara plus Su, Nirjaraha you get. Atijara is another compound. Ati Purvaka. Atyadyarte, that is also by Kugati, Vatika Kugati Pradayaha. So Atijara. So that becomes Atijara plus O, for example. Atijara iti Napumsaka. Okay, here we are taking Napumsaka. Taking the word, the Shabda to be Napumsaka. What will happen? Atijara plus Au are out. Au are out. Therefore, Jara will be replaced by Jaras. Right? Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya Pare will be replaced by Jaras. And Au will be replaced by
She and she.
She.
She, yeah.
Napumsaka. Ongaha. Apaha she,
No,
right?
Apa she, yeah.
Yes. Now the Atijaras plus she becomes Atijarasi. Will form Atijarasi. So this is also Vikalpa, right? Atijara, like Akaranta Shabda, Pala Shabda, and Vikalpena we have Atijarasi. We can do this also later. If you don't replace it, then you get Pale, right? Ajare, Pala Shabda, Palam Pale. So Ajaram, Ajare, Ajare or Atijarasi, two forms. Similarly, Bhagavacharam, we will see that. Then Atijara plus Jas or Shas. Atijarani, like Pala Shabda, generally Atijarani. Now, replacing Jara by Jaras. And by the Sutra, and remember the Paribhasha, three Paribhashas. So Jarayaha Anyatarasya, Jarasaha Anyatarasya, Atijaras plus she is Sarnamasthana, Jasashovoshihi will apply, right? So Jas and Shas will be replaced by she is E, Sarnamasthana Pratyaya Pare, Napumsakasya, Jalachaha. Now it is a Jalanta, right? Sakara is Jal. Okay, Ikara apply Iko Jivakto. This is Napumsaka, this is Sakaranta. Therefore, Numakama will come. Once Numakama come, what will happen? Sakara, Nakara, Sakara, Santamagata Sanyogasya. You have to remember, Shreyas Shabdandal we have seen, right?
Yeah, yes.
Santamagata Sanyogasya Kim Bhavati Upadayaha. Nakara, which is Upada, it's Upada ke Dirgatto. Remember?
Dirgatvam, yeah.
Therefore, Manaha Manasi, Manamsi.
See,
Okay. So like that it will happen. Ati Jaramsi, you get, right?
yeah.
And of course, Nakara is there. Nakara will become Santamagata Sayogasya. Nakara will become Apadanta. Nakara becomes Anuswara. Anuswara is
Anuswara.
Parasavanaha, but this is not a A letter, so it will not happen. Just leave it as it is. Right? Ati Jaramsi. This is one form. Otherwise, what form will be there? Napumsakalinga, Ati Jara.
Jarani.
Ati Jarani. Right?
Rani, yeah.
Ati Jarani, the form would be. Nattam happens, of course. Ati Jarani or Ati Jaramsi. Yeah, given Ati Jarani. Okay. Iti Pala Shabdavat Rupani Bhavanti. Ati Jara plus would be Ajadivakti Pratyaya Pare. Therefore, Ami Ato right?
Yeah, Ato.
What will happen? Pala Shabda, Palam Pale Palani. Therefore, Ati Palam, Ati Jaram is one form. But when you replace it by Jaras, it is no more Dakaranta Shabda. Atoham you cannot apply. You remember Atoham? Napumsaka Dadantasya Ankasya Pare. What will happen? Atoham will become Su and Au will be replaced by Su and will be replaced by Therefore, Ami Purvaha is applied. That's why you get Palam, right? Pala Shabda, normal declension. Now Jara is replaced by Jaras. Now it is no more Akaranta Shabda. Right? Therefore, what will happen?
Jarasam, Ati Jaras.
Suma Napumsakat, look, can you apply?
Melanam only.
Why? How can be Melanam? It's Sakaranta Shabda. Suma Napumsakat, look will not apply. Su and will be replaced by following the Adanta Napumsakanga. What about the Su and not following Adantanga?
Look.
Suma Napumsakat, look, right?
Yeah. So that
So
we
what
go.
we have
So we
done
will
in,
teach
what about Manas? What about Manas and all? Manas plus Su. Su goes away. Manas only will be there. Manas becomes Sakara. Manas, Manaha, Manasi, Manamsi, right? Suma Napumsakat, look. Now, here we need to understand certain thing. That is, please see, the technical discussion. Jaras plus it is no more Akaranta Shabda. Akaranta Shabda, then Ato and Amipurvaha. Right? Su and will be replaced by then Amipurvaha, Palam, Ati Jaram, you get. But here, Jara is replaced by Jaras, applying the Jarayaha Netrasyam and all the three Paribhasha you need to remember. Now it is no more Akaranta. What will happen? Sumo Napumsakat, look, you have to apply. Asmin Adeshe Prapti Agre, Sumo Napumsakat, look, iti arena, Pratyase look, na kriyate. Yataha, we're not doing a look of this. Why? Because Yataha Kurmaha Chet, Jaras Adesh Nimittika. See, what had brought the Adesha Jaras? What is Nimitta?
Jara.
Huh? What is the Nimitta which caused the replacement? What brought the Jaras Adesha? Simple question. What brought Jaras Adesha? What is the cause? What is the nimitta?
Jara
Ajadi
is
Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya, right?
Yeah.
Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya is a nimitta, right? That alone brought Jaras Adesha in the place of Jara. Now, if you make it look, then what will happen? எது கொண்டு வந்ததோ அதையே போய் அடிச்சுட்டேன்னா what is the nimitta? That is all we are destroying, right? You understand? That which is the cause, right? Amma is the cause. Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya is the cause for bringing this Adesha. Now, if you remove it, then what will happen?
Okay.
Yeah.
The problem, right?
Mm.
For that we have explanation. Please see. Asmin Adesha Prapte, then once it becomes Jaras, Jaras is optional, right? Jaras Adesha Krite, then what will happen? Sumor Napumsakat, look, will it happen or not? No, it will not happen. Why? Because Yataha, since Tata Kurmaha Ched, if we do so, Jaras Adesha Nimittika Ajadi Bhakti Eva Vinashyet, that is Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya, which is a nimitta for bringing the Jaras Adesha, that itself is vanished. Goes, right? Disappears. Huh? If you apply Suvarnapumsakatulu. By therefore, Yata Sannipata Lakshana Vidihi Animittakaha Tadvigatasya Anaya Paribhashaya Nanumanyate. This is the paribhasha by which we don't apply that. We don't apply what? We don't make the look of su and It will remain. By the paribhasha, Sannipata Lakshana Vidihi Animittaka Tadvigat. This paribhasha also we have seen. But I will explain this paribhasha a little more. You see here. You understand the point, right? Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya,
Yeah.
which is nimitta for bringing the Adesha. If that Bhakti Pratyaya itself goes away, then Adesha also should go, right? Logically. But doesn't happen. Why? Sannipata Lakshana Vidihi Animittaka Tadvigatasya. This paribhasha also not Nitya paribhasha, not always applied. There are also exceptions, okay? We'll see that now.
You said something, you borrow from him and the house will
Yes.
be sold or something like that.
Something,
I
yeah, I told,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Some example I gave, I forgot. Okay. Okay. Atijara plus su. Ityatra. Okay, first let me explain the paribhasha. Then we'll come to this. Paribhasha I will explain. Okay. See, English, better understand the English. Huh? English is so difficult. Then only try to understand this. I just read. Huh? If a karyam happens due to the presence of a nimitta, that karyam, when it can bring about a complete change, like destruction in the nimittam, then that karyam will not be considered nimittam to bring the change. Do you understand? That's the meaning of the paribhasha. This is my translation. Okay. If there is any defect, I have to correct it. Huh? You understand this?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes,
What is
sir.
it? Yeah, here I don't understand second time if I read. Huh?
That is.
If a karyam happens due to the presence of a nimitta. Here, in the example, what is the nimitta? Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya, right? Which brings the karyam, Jaras Adesha.
Yeah.
So, a karyam happens due to the presence of a nimitta. You just connect with the example to try to understand. That karyam can bring about a complete change in nimitta. That is, Jaras can make go away, right?
Go away. Yeah.
Sumanapumsakatu. Then, that karyam will not be considered a nimitta to bring the change. That is, Sumanapumsakatu will not apply. That will not be considered to be a nimitta to
Happen.
bring the change. Therefore, by that, Sumanapumsakatu will not apply. That's what he said here. Understand? Is it clear?
Yeah. So that
Suvarna-
is meaningless. Yeah.
Now you see, then the form of question and answer it is given. Also from the website only. Atijara plus ityatra ajad vibhakti pratyaka nasti. Okay, fine. Ataha vartamana sutrena prasaktihi na bhavati. Fine, no problem. Here ati plus atijaraha. Parantu Ato am iti anena supratyasya am adesha kriyate chet. The case of Napumsakalinga, su and will be replaced by If it is for su, it is fine, but it is no more su, it is Asyam avastayam atijara shabdasya atijaras adesha bhavati va. The question comes, Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya Bhavati, okay, but it was su before and is replaced by Now in this condition, will Adesha happen or not? The question comes. Now the answer is, Atra su pratyasya Adesha Angasya Ajantatvat Kriyate. Su pratyaya comes because the Anga is ending with a, right? Ato Therefore, Ataha Sannipata Lakshana Vidhihit Animitakaha Tadvigatasya Anaya Paribhashaya Adeshena Adeshena Agasya Ajantatvasya Nashah na kriyate. So because of that, the Angasya Ajantatvasya Nashah Ataha Jara Shabdasya Jaras Adeshah na bhavati. This is the for Supratyaya 1-1. This is for Supratyaya. Atijara plus Su. Su is replaced by That Su is replaced by because of Atijara, which is ending with Akara. Therefore, Ato only brought this change, right? Now that itself you want to change it. Cannot apply there. Therefore, this Paribhasha, Sannipata Lakshana Vidhita Nimittagata Vigatasya Paribhashaya, Adeshena, right? Angasya Ajantatvasya Nashaha na kriyate. The Amadesha, this Amadesha which has come because for which the Nimitta is Ajantanga. So that itself we cannot destroy. Therefore, Jara Shabdasya, Jaras Adeshaha na bhavati. Understand? Jara Shabdasya, Jaras Adeshaha na bhavati. That is what I explained here. What that Paribhasha is. Understand? So, therefore, if a Karyam happened due to a Nimitta, and that Karyam brings about change in the Nimitta, then that Karyam will not be considered to be a Nimitta to bring about the change. Right? Therefore, in the case of Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam, Su is replaced by and cannot be the cause for bringing about a change in the Anga. That is Jara. Jara will not be replaced by Jaras. Number 1. Okay.
Yeah.
That is what it says here. So, therefore, Ati Jara plus Su. What about Ati Jaras plus We are going to discuss that. Ati Jaras plus Okay, then we will see that. Now, here, one more thing is that, please see. You remember Rama Shabda? Rama Shabda, Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachanam, right? Rama plus Nye.
Yeah.
By Nye Yaha, by the Sutra, Nye is replaced by Ya.
Yeah.
Right? Now, we apply Supicha Sutra, and that brings about Dirgatvam, right? Dirga Deshaha. So, Ramaya. That brings about Dirga Desha, right? Now,
Yeah.
what is that? This is, I wrote here. If it is so, then how do we get the form Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachana Rupam Ramaya? Because the Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachanam Nye, right? When replaced by Ya for Adantanga, how can be Nimittam for bringing Dirga Desha to the Anga? Chaturthi Bhakti Nye is replaced by Ya, right? And how can be a Nimittam for bringing about the Dirga Desha? First of all, you have to recall what is the Nye Yaha and how the Dirgatvam happens. Nye is Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachanam by Nye Yaha. Nye is replaced by Ya, right? Now, because of Ya only, what happened? Rama becomes Ramaya. Otherwise, it will not become Ramaya, right? Are you there? You understand what I'm saying? So, Nye Yaha Sutra ordains. Nye Yaha Sutra ordains Yakara Adesha in the place of Nye. And yakara it becomes a nimitta for bringing about the dirghatvam in the Rama. Is it not violating this Sannipata Lakshana Vidhi? The question comes, yes or no? How the dirghatvam happens? Dirghatvam happens by Supicha, right? What Supicha says? Supicha says, what is the Anuvritti for Supicha? You don't know Supicha. Supicha is Sutra number 73102.
Sutra number
Yajnari Supi Prataya Pare, right? Supicha is, but Nye is Ajadi. Nye is Ajadi. Nye is replaced by Yakara when? Nye is replaced by Yakara. The cause for that bringing Yakara is Adantanga, right? Adantanga only is the nimitta for bringing the Adesha Yakara in the place of Nye. Now the Yakara which has come, it is not Ajadi, now it is Yajnadi. That becomes the nimitta for causing change in the very Anga. That A becomes A, right?
Yeah.
Then don't we violate that paribhasha here? Yes, it's violated, right? You understand the point? Rama plus Nye. Nye is replaced by Ya. This is because Adantasya Angasya, we know, Adanta Anga, the Chaturtha Bhakti Ekavachanam, Nye will be replaced by Ya. Okay, Adanta Anga. You know that, right? Nye Yaha, if you see Sutra, there it is said, Adantasya Angasya, Uttarasya, Nye Stane, Ikaraha Adesha Bhavati. That is for Nye Yaha. Very important. Adanta Anga. Now the Yakara which has come, that itself becomes a nimitta for bringing the Adantanga into a Dirgha. Supicha. Supicha, if you see Yajnadi, Supi Prataya Pare. If it is Ajadi, then it would not have happened. After replaced by Yakara, then it becomes Yajnadi, right?
Yeah.
That brings the Angasya Dirgha Desha. Then is it not, the question comes, is it not the Sannipata Lakshana Vidhi is violated? Yes, it's violated. Then how do you accommodate this? You say one you apply Sannipata Lakshana Vidhi and you say it should not happen. And here it is violated, still we do. It's not contradiction. For that the answer is, yes, it is true, we violate. But Anini Maharshi himself has used in the Sutra, Kashtaya Kramane, the word Kashtaya, it is there 3.1.14. Remember we chant this also. Kashtaya is Chaturthi Bhakti. He has used himself Kashtaya, the word in the Sutra. Not only that, Bhashyakara he also has used this Dharmaya Niyamaha, Dharma Niyamaha iti he has used in the Mahabhashyam. Therefore, we say, there, since they have used, so that becomes a pramana. Therefore, Sannipata Lakshana doesn't apply in such cases. That's how we have to infer. They are the Sutrakara, Bhashyakara, right? Their usage gives a permission. What? This, let's say, the Sannipata Lakshana Vidhi doesn't apply. In Ramaya doesn't apply. Because Kashtaya, the Kramane Sutra itself is there. There Kashtaya, the word is used. Similarly, Dharmaya, if you don't apply this, if you apply this, Dharmaya will not get. If you apply Sannipata Lakshana Vidhi, then Paribhasha, then you will not get Dharmaya. But Bhashyakara uses, Mahabhashyakara. Therefore, in such cases, Sannipata Lakshana Vidhi doesn't apply. Understand? Okay, it's also a side point. Remember, just read this, you will understand. Now, quickly, Nirjara with Shabda we will do and then stop. Akaranta Pullinga Nirjara Shabdaha, Nirjara plus Su. Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam is Nirjaraha, right? Nirjara plus Au. Ramaha Ramu, Pratamayoga Purva Savarnaha, one form. Another form, Nirjara plus Au. Jara will be replaced by Jaras. Jara Nitarasyam. Remember the three paribhashas. So replace Jara alone by Jaras. Even though Jara not there, Ekadesha Vikrutam Ananyavata, by that paribhasha, this is considered to be Shabda only. Therefore, Jaras, Jarasau. And Nirjara plus Jas. This is Pratamayoga Purva Savarnaha, by that Nirjaraha, Ramaha Ramu, Ramaha you get, right? And another form is Nirjaras plus Nirjara plus Jas become Nirjaras plus Us, therefore Nirjarasaha you get, another form.
Okay.
So two forms. Similarly, Nirjara plus Nirjaram Ramam, like Ami Purvaha, Ramam, Amipura is applied. Nirjara plus will become, what will happen?
Jarasam.
Nirjarasam. So, okay, anyway, this is pulling up, no problem. This is Jarasam. Okay. Napumsakalinga already we discussed. Suma Napumsakatulu. Nirjara plus out. Nirjarau. Namashabdavat. And Jaras Adeshaha Krite. Jaras Adeshe Krite Nirjarasau. Similarly, Nirjarasan, like Raman, Tasma Jaso Napumsi applied after applying Pratamyoga Purva Sornaha.
Okay.
Then here we get Jaras Adesha Krite. Nirjarasaha.
Nirjarasam.
Nirjaras plus Ta. Ramena, Nirjane Tagna seeing Assam, right? That applies. You know that. Nirjarena. Replace Jara by Jaras, you get Nirjarasa. Then Nirjara plus Byam. Yeah. Nirjara plus Byam, it is not Ajadi Vakti Pratya, therefore Nirjara Byam. Supicha is applied. And Nirjara plus Bis is Ramehi. Ato Bisaha Ais will apply. This is Adantanga, therefore Bis is replaced by Ais. Nirjaraihi. Then Nirjara plus Nye. This is what like Rama plus Nye, Ramaya. The Sannipada Lakshana Vidhi is not applied. Therefore, Ramaya, Nirjaraya you get. And optionally, we have Nirjara, Jara is replaced by Jaras, Nirjarase. Then Nirjara plus Byaha, Nirjare Byaha, so Bhagavachana Jaliyet will apply, you know. Nirjara plus Nasi, Tag Nasing Assam, Nirjarat is one form like Ramat, and another form is Nirjarasaha. 6th one also similarly, Nirjarasya and Nirjarasaha, two forms. Nirjara plus Os. We get Rama Yogo, Nirjara Yogo is one form, other form is Nirjarasoho, replacing Jara by Jaras. So 6 to 7 2. Nirjara plus Sam, Nirjara Nam, Rama Shabdavat. Prasanadya Ponut, then Dirgattum Nami Pare, Nirjara Nam, Nattum. Then optionally Nirjara Sam, right? Nirjara plus Ni, Rame, just Adgunaha, Nirjare. Another form is Nirjarasi. Then Nirjara plus Su, Nirjareshu. This is not Ajadi, therefore only one form. Done. That's it. E Nirjara, E Nirjarau, E Nirjaraha. Nirjara is done. Right? Okay. You understand? I just went fast last part because I want to complete this. Because after this, so Friday class will be there. After that, after Navaratri only. So if you have got enough time to go through this, please go through. Any doubts? You can, please can ask me later. Follow, right? Though fast. Last part already explained in detail before. Just go through this. I will send you
Go
the
through,
document.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The Sannipada Lakshana Vidhi, try to understand. Lakshana Paribhasha. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyawadaha. Sorry, I went fast. The time not there. You have time, please go through this.
In progress.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Dhanyawada.